This AI business
안녕하세요.
was why
김동훈
that fellow was
목사입니다.
departing from evangelicalism
오늘도
for
우리 날마다
orthodoxy.
기막힌
He didn't
새벽으로
want some
불러주신
digital machine
하나님께
helping with the sermons,
감사를
so he
드립니다.
departed for greener pastures
오늘
where the
주신
divine
말씀을
liturgy
통해서
does not require
말씀의
any sermon
지혜를
at all,
얻고
or where the
또
words are
삶의
served up
용기와
by someone
힘을
who's been dead for
얻으시는
1600
귀한
years.
시간
That is like
되실
leaving
줄을
evangelicalism
믿습니다.
because the pastor
오늘
wears funny
하나님이
shirts
저와
for
여러분에게
Roman
주신
Catholicism
말씀은
where they wear funny
시편
hats instead.
19편 7절에서 11절입니다. 제가 봉독하겠습니다. 여호와의 율법은 완전하여 영혼을 소생시키며 여호와의 증거는 확실하여 우둔한 자를 지혜롭게 하며 여호와의 교훈은 정직하여 마음을 기쁘게 하고 여호와의 계명은 순결하여 눈을 밝게 하시려다. 여호와를 경외하는 도는 정결하여 영혼까지 이루고 여호와의 법도 진실하여 다 의로우니 금 곧 많은 순금보다 더 사모할 것이며 꿀과 송이 꿀보다 더 달도다. 또 주의 종이 이것으로 경고를 받고 이것을 지킴으로 상이 크니이다. 이 말씀도 제가 몇 번 반복했던 예화인 것 같습니다. 살다 보면 어려운 일이 있습니다. 저에게도 많았습니다. 누구의 도움도 받을 수 없고 누구도 도와줄 수 없는 이제 끝났구나, 이제 죽었구나, 길이 없구나 싶을 만큼 암담한 때를 살다 보면 겪게 됩니다. 그때 제가 찾아낸 좋은 방법이 있습니다. 답을, 길을 말씀에서 찾으려고 하는 것입니다. 그래서 골방에 아무도 없는 방에 성경책 하나 들고 그다음에 성경사전, 휴대폰에 저장되어 있는 성경사전 들고 백지 몇 장 들고 펜 들고 가서 앉아 있습니다. 그러면 그 사건과 이 문제와 연관되어 보이는 말씀들을 이렇게 눈을 감고 깊이 집중합니다. 이렇게 하면 팝콘 터지듯이 이렇게 툭툭 그동안 읽었던 말씀들 중에서 이 말씀도 생각나고 저 말씀도 생각납니다. 그 완벽한 말씀을 다 모르니까 그 생각나면 얼른 성경 사전을 찾아서 완벽한 말씀들을 적어서 써나가기 시작합니다. 몇 장을 이렇게 쓰죠. 그리고 그 다음에는 그 성경 구절 찾은 것만을 쭉 읽으면 그게 이렇게 두부 옮기듯이요, 이렇게 유형별로 나뉘어져요. A, B, C, D 이렇게 해서 그럼 다시 정리해서 쭉 읽어나가면 거기서 답이 나옵니다. 이렇게 해야 되겠구나, 이렇게 하라는 말씀이구나 하는 길이 보입니다. 여러분 그러면 앞이 환해지게 해요? 더 깜깜해지게 해요? 더 깜깜해집니다. 많은 사람들은 말씀에서 길을 찾으면 환해지는 줄 아는데요. 저도 그럴 줄 알았는데요. 막상 찾고 보니까 더 깜깜해집니다. 솔직한 제 심정은 이걸 답이라고 가르쳐주시나, 살라고 이러시나, 아예 죽으라고 그러시는 거 아닌가 할 만큼 그게 길처럼 답처럼 여겨지지가 않습니다. 그런데 저한테 겨자씨만한 믿음이라도 있지 않습니까? 그때 저를 신뢰하지 않고 이해 안 되는 하나님의 말씀을 신뢰합니다. 하나님의 말씀을 힘들어도 안 되는 것 같아도 일로 가야만 살아. 그 믿음은 있으니까 그 다음에 그것을 놓고 기도합니다. 왜요? 그 살 자신이 없으니까 하나님 이 길을 가게 해주세요. 하나님 말씀하시는 대로 행동하게 해주세요. 실천할 수 있게 해주세요. 하고 이렇게 하나님 앞에 기도합니다. 그 기도가 정말
They don't want to ask questions any more than the preacher wants to answer them.
피가 나올 만큼
evidence when a preacher knows that to address
쉽지 않지만
topic X
자꾸 매달려 포기하지 않고 기도하면 그 말씀대로 행해보고 싶은 죽으면 죽으리라 하는 용기가 이렇게 눈꽃만큼씩 자라기 시작합니다. 자꾸 기도하면 용기가 생깁니다. 그러면 그 다음에 행합니다. 죽으면 죽지. 망신당하면 망신당하지. 실패하면 실패하지. 손해보면 손해보지 하고 그 길을 갑니다. 그러면 그 다음에 합니다. 맞았구나. 그것은 문제가 해결됩니다. 죽을 줄 알았는데 삽니다. 실패할 줄 알았는데 성공합니다. 성공도 그런 성공은 없습니다. 애들 말로
sides down. Nothing needs to be
그런
done, knock on
경험들을
wood.
좀 하게
And then the
되었어요.
elders all go
그럼
home and
그때
talk to their
이
wives,
찬송가가
which results in
마음에
half of them sending emails
하늘
and text
가는
messages
밝은
to the
길이
others that say
내
something
앞에
like,
있으니
on reflection,
슬픈
I would
일을
like to
많이
revisit,
보고
or
늘
after much prayer, I
고생하고
think we should,
하늘
or over the
영광
years I've
밝음이
learned to
얻은
rely on
것을
my most
해치니
trusted counselor.
예수 공로
The end result of
의지하여
all this pother,
항상
dither, and
빛을
hugger-mugger is
받아라.
either that the pastor
그럼
issues a
세상이
groveling
환해져요.
apology for having
문제가
said boys will be
해결되었거든요.
boys and girls will
결박에서
be girls, in a
벗어났거든요.
sermon no less, with
하나님의
children
멍에
present,
내
or it
멍에를
sometimes happens
메고
that he will be
내게
thrown off the
배우라
back of the
하신
sledge
말씀대로
to fend
그
for himself on the
말씀과
Russian tundra.
율법과
I've got a
하나님의
little list.
십과
It would
법에
be cowardly and
멍에를
hypocritical, would it
맸더니
not, to write
죽는 게
anything like
아니라
the foregoing and
무거워지는
then
게
not
아니라
give any
삶의 짐이
specifics.
다
But like the
벗겨지고요.
Lord High Executioner and
해결되고요.
Mikado, a highly
승리하고요.
entertaining hate
그러면
crime from
온
another
세상이 다
era,
환해져요.
I've got a little
그럼
list.
하늘 가는
Just how
길이
bad did the government
밝아지죠.
schools have to get before the
슬픈 일을 많이
evangelical
보고
pulpits of
늘
America
고생하여도
denounced them? The
하늘
answer to that
영광
question is that they are
밝음이
not bad
얻은
enough
것을
yet to get more
해치니
than a small
예수
fraction
공로
of pulpits
의지하여
to address
항상
the
빛을
corruption.
받아라.
These schools are the state indoctrination
하나님의
of
말씀은
sin, and
정말
so perhaps they
멍에
ought to be addressed by
같아요.
their proper
무거워요.
name. Perhaps this
하나님의
will finally
말씀은
happen when
멍에
the pole
같아요.
dancing class, up
올무
to this
같아요.
point an elective, is made
묶이는
mandatory
것
for all
같아요.
those who identify
그
as
가면
girls.
죽고
Here's another
망할 것
one,
같아요.
also education
그런데
related.
저
When the
보면
situation got dire
가벼워요.
enough and numerous Christians
지면
banded together
가볍고
to plant a classical
벗으면
Christian garden in the
무거워요.
much neglected
참
topsoil
신비한
of a
멍에예요.
decomposing West. It was
하나님의
not long
말씀은
at all
올무
before some
같아요.
enterprising Americans
결박하는
decided
것
to make the
같아요.
whole thing more
그런데
streamlined. The choice is classical Christian
결박당하면
education with
말씀의
the root ball
결박을
and
스스로
fertile soil
하면
on the one hand,
풀려요.
and cut flower
나도
classical Christian
풀리고
education
문제도
in a great
풀리고
book's vase.
삶도
Classical
풀려요.
charter schools,
그것을
SCL
경험하게
Vibe,
되면
the Hillsdale franchise, and so
말씀의
on.
귀함을
To be
깨닫게
fair,
돼요.
not all these efforts are
말씀의
cut flower
맛을 알게
approaches.
돼요.
Some of them are
여호와의
relying on
말씀은 내 발의
hydroponic
등이요
technology to
내
keep the
길의
plants going.
빛이니이다 하는
And to change the
간증을 하게
metaphor,
되고요.
some, like the
우리가
CLT,
너무
are living in a bad
좋아해서
neighborhood with
사람들이
the doors
잘
unlocked and
유명하는
the
말씀
windows open.
있잖아요.
That won't work
여호와의
out either,
말씀이
but at least there
어찌
was an
그리
effort.
단지요.
This kind of
꿀,
half-assery
곧
is only
송이
possible because our
꿀보다
pulpits have been
더
deadly silent
답니다.
on the sins of secularism,
말씀을
syncretism,
달지
and
않아요.
sibilant attempts at
여러분,
alliteration.
말씀은 달지
If
않아요.
our preachers were
말씀은
hot on the myth of
어렵고요.
neutrality, like they
말씀은
ought to
참
be,
우리를
this kind of thing would
답답하게
have
하고요.
no traction at
무겁게
all.
하는데
And when was the last time you
그
heard a sermon
한계를
on elder
뛰어넘어야
qualifications? You know, where
죽으면
the pastor
죽으리라 하는
mentions that
결심을
Paul
하고
thought that an elder
저질러서
manages
결과를
household
얻어야
well, 1
그 다음에 그
Timothy 3, 4,
맛을
5,
알아야
and
여기에
his children
이르는
must
거예요.
not be hellions.
하나님의
Titus
말씀이
1:6.
송이꿀보다
Were he
더
to do
달다는
this, there's
이거
concern that half the
이거에게
congregation
말처럼 쉬운
might
거예요.
swivel in their seats to
네,
look at the
여러분
preacher's son,
사랑하는
whose
날마다
middle name
기막힌
is Hellion,
새벽
after an uncle
사랑하는
on his mother's
여러분
side. I should also mention the
저는
tendency,
여러분들이
when sin is mentioned
말씀을
at all,
달게
to bring it up
듣는다는 거
as though
알아요.
sin only applies to people considered as
그
bipedal
유튜브에서 이렇게
carbon
조사한
units,
거
and not as
보니까요.
men and women,
유튜브
or as boys and girls.
방송을
When was
사람들이
the last time you
시청하는
heard any
분량이 2분에서
distinctively
3분
feminine
사이라고
temptations
하더라고요.
and sins
그
called
지나면
out?
잘 안
The
본다고
men get
중간에
called out as men all
돌린다고
the time,
그래서 2,
especially on
3분 안에
Father's Day.
승부를
And
건다고
the favorite way of
우리
putting it is
날마다
by telling
기막힌
them to
새벽은
step up.
평균이
But the women are
20분이거든요.
never urged
요즘
to step
조금
up,
짧게
even in those
해보려고 한
areas where the
17분,
Bible has
15분
explicit
이렇게
cautions
하지만
for women as
거의
women.
20분 가까운
So then,
거거든요.
as a public service,
그런데
allow me to
많은
mention that
분들이
older women should
들으시잖아요.
be careful not to drink
달게
too much wine,
들으시잖아요.
Titus 2:3,
근데
that they should guard
그것으로 여러분
themselves against the
귀로 달게
flattery of
듣는
therapeutic
것하고요.
counselors, 1
여러분이 그
Timothy
말씀을
2:14, and they should
실천하셔서
make sure
그
not to
맛을
run down their
알아서 그
husbands,
다음에 달게
Ephesians
여기는 거하고는
5:33.
또 차원이
That
또
should keep
달라요.
everybody busy for a bit.
저는 우리
I
사랑하는
suspect this
날마다
problem
기막힌
with our
새벽
preaching is
우리
only going to
사랑하는
be
가정
exacerbated by
여러분들이
AI getting into everything.
귀로 하나님의
So
말씀을
when will
달게
American
듣고
preachers denounce the
마음으로
movement
달게
to
듣는
start
데서
outsourcing the
넘어서서
beginning of your sermon
그것을
prep to
여러분
AI? The
듣어서
link will
다는 게
enable you
아니라
to see that Logos
살아서
Bible
단
software thinks that
말씀을
AI shouldn't
깨닫는
write your sermons,
그
but that
경지까지
sermon
꼭
assistant is
이르렀으면
nevertheless here to
좋겠고
help. The
여러분 꼭
problem
그렇게
is that in order to
하시리라
preach in
이렇게
Jeremiah
믿습니다.
like what is needed, sermon assistant might
오늘
refuse to help,
본문
and
우리
then where will
7절에서 11절
But I
읽었는데요.
cannot let this link
이게
pass by me
다윗은
without
나는 그
commenting on the context
경지에서
of it.
한
This AI
고백이라고
business was
생각해요.
why that fellow was
여호와의
departed from
율법은
evangelicalism for
완전하여
orthodoxy.
영혼을
He didn't want
소생시키며
some digital machine
여호와의
helping with
증거는
sermons,
확실하여
so he departed from
우둔한
greener
자를
pastures
지혜롭게
where the
하며
divine liturgy
여호와의
does not
교훈은
require any
정직하여
sermon at all,
마음을
or where the
기쁘게
words are
하고
served up by
여호와의
someone who's been
계명은
dead for
순결하여
1600 years.
눈을
That is like
밝게
leaving
하는구나.
evangelicalism because
그러다가
the pastor
유명한
wears funny
고백이
shirts.
나오잖아요.
For Roman Catholicism,
여호와
where they wear funny hats instead.
금 곧
Speaking
많은
of funny hats,
순금보다
one
더
of the people
사모할
who wears them
것이며
was the Archbishop of Canterbury,
꿀과 송이
Justin
꿀보다
Welby,
더
currently the
다르다.
lame lame duck
금보다
archbishop,
귀하다.
which is apparently a
꿀보다도
thing now,
달다.
just recently resigned over a report that said
이게
that he had
축복
failed to report
아니겠습니까?
a really bad dude
그렇게
who was
하면은요,
guilty of egregious
깜깜하던
sexual
세상이
misconduct. This
환해져요.
was all in the background
우울하던
until it
세상이
wasn't. But right
밝아져요.
before this happened,
그래서
the
우리
well-being
전에도
perpetrated
읽었잖아요.
his very own
여호와께서
sexual
만드신
misconduct.
세상이
Only this
어찌
was
그리
of an approved
아름다운지,
kind. And he
사람들은
said that
얼마나
gay sex was
귀한지요.
okay if
그런
it
것처럼
occurred in the
오늘도
context
또
of a
다윗은
committed
그 고백을 해요.
relationship. Well,
하늘이
okay then.
하나님의
Going
영광을
back to the
선포하고
scandal
1절 궁창이 그의 손으로 하신 일을 나타내는도다. 날은 날에게 말하고 밤은 밤에게 지식을 전하나 언어도 없고 말씀도 없으며 들리는 소리도 없으나 그의 소리가 온 땅에 통하고 그의 말씀이 세상 끝까지 이르도다. 하나님의 해를 위하여 하늘에 장막을 펼치고 그 말씀 때문에 인생이 틀리면 세상이 다릅니다. 세상이 다릅니다. 성령 충만해서 거듭난 사람들의 체험이 늘 보던 세상인데 어제 세상과 같지 않다. 나무도 꽃도 자연도 보이는 것이 다 전하고 다른 세상이다. 이렇게 고백하지 않습니까? 우리 날마다 기막힌 새벽 우리 사랑하는 가족들이 이 믿음의 경지에 꼭 이르실 수 있기를 바랍니다. 듣는 것만 달게 듣지 마시고 김동호 목사님의 말씀을 들어서 야, 참 설교 좋다. 여기서 머물지 마시고 그것을 힘들고 좀 행하기는 쓰지만 여러분 행에 서서 말씀의 맛을
He chastens every son of his, Hebrews 12:6. And when he spanks, he really does. He doesn't mess around. He scourges, wants to go, as in flogs, every son he receives, Hebrews 12:6. And we are told here that this should be an incentive to encouragement as opposed to its opposite. Take heart, you are clearly one of God's own.
좋습니다. 하늘 가는 밝은 길이 내 앞에 있으니 슬픈 일을 많이 보고 늘 고생하여도
Although the occasions can be many, there are two basic reasons for discouragement, internal and external. The internal occurs when for some reason we have given way to sinful attitudes and thoughts, and we are dealing with the consequences of that. And the external occurs when we are buffeted by circumstances, as Job was, but without sin. And of course, it is possible to get discouraged in both ways. If we are buffeted by external circumstances for long enough, we may give way and let the discouragement pierce all the way to the heart. How are we to understand this? How are we to respond to it? Why art thou cast down, O my soul? And why art thou disquieted within me? Hope thou in God, for I shall yet praise him, who is the health of my countenance and my God. Psalm 42:11. The first thing to note is that the psalmist presupposes that the condition of peace is normal. He is cast down and disquieted, and he wants to know the reason why. This disturbance of his soul is the thing that requires explanation. Why are you cast down? He asks himself. Verse 11. Whenever we are feeling fine, we don't look around for ways to fix it. But when unhappiness comes upon us, we don't like it, because unhappy people are, well, unhappy. In the very nature of the case, we seek to relieve pain. Pleasure is something we want to prolong or augment. Here, whichever of the sons of Korah composed this psalm shows himself to be just like the rest of us. When we are discouraged, it is entirely normal to want out. Second, the psalmist remonstrates with himself. He talks to himself, which is a good alternative to listening to himself. It is by far the better approach. He preaches to himself, and it is a convicting sermon. The difference between such active talking as opposed to passive listening is the intentional mentality involved. When we are discouraged and we cut the engine and just let the boat drift, it is not long before we are in a really bad way. The old Adam within us can be a chatterbox, and if we let him have the floor, he will lead us straight into a festival of self-pity. In times of discouragement or potential discouragement, we need to gather up everything we know, prepare some lecture notes, and speak firmly to ourselves. What are you doing, soul? And third, he comes to a pointed exhortation, commanding himself to hope in God. This is the key place where we can tell the difference between listening to ourselves and talking to ourselves. The point of talking to ourselves is to gear ourselves up to obedience. He anticipates that he will in fact obey the commands of God, for he will at some point in the future praise God. Obedience is the destination he sets for himself. The whole point of the lecture itself is to make it clear that God's way is the only way that makes any sense at all. And as we prepare what we are going to say to ourselves, here are a few suggestions, a few important things to keep in mind. False comfort. We want comfort, but we need to remember that there is such a thing as false comfort. When we speak peace to our hearts, we can do it in accordance with the scriptures, or we can do it in accordance with our own pipe dreams. For example, someone who's become an idolater by turning away from the Lord is capable of speaking peace to his own heart, in his own name and on his own authority. But giving yourself a pep talk on false premises is not the way of wisdom at all. And it come to pass, when he heareth the words of this curse, that he bless himself in his heart, saying, I shall have peace, though I walk in the imagination of mine heart, to add drunkenness to thirst. The Lord will not spare him. But then the anger of the Lord and his jealousy shall smoke against that man. And all the curses that are written in this book shall lie upon him, and the Lord shall blot out his name from under heaven. Deuteronomy 29, 19 and 20. What we are talking about here are the words of gospel, and the gospel does not sew elbow cushions for our sin. When we are walking in the imagination of our own hearts and things start to go badly, as God promises they will, we cannot resolve the problem by taking gospel promises and applying them to an unrepentant condition. That is just white paint on a black mold. Triune peace. If God is our salvation, then it follows that God is our comfort. And if the God of the Bible is our comfort, it follows that this comfort is triune. Remember that our salvation has occurred because God has included us in his triune life. The gospel is triune, just like the God who established the gospel in the first place. And this is why peace for your distress needs to be a triune peace. What do I mean? God the Father has declared that the comfort of peace is to be announced to us, Isaiah 40:1 and 2. Christ has become our peace by his own blood, Ephesians 2:13 and 14. And why would the Father not give us what Christ has purchased for us? And the Spirit of the Lord came upon Christ so that he might comfort those who mourn, that he might bind up the brokenhearted, Luke 4:18. Because Christ died, the executor of his testament is the Holy Spirit. Remember then, whenever you are struggling with discouragement, that Father, Son, and Spirit are all engaged on your behalf. Discouragement and sin. One reason why Christians are discouraged in their attempts to live the Christian life is that they are attempting to run the race with tangled cords around their feet and a 150-pound backpack on, Hebrews 12:1. And so the way out of discouragement because of sin is simply repentance. Discouragement in such cases is disciplinary, and God's hand is heavy upon you for a reason. We are told to take heart when the Lord disciplines us, are we not? When God disciplines us, we are instructed to not faint when rebuked of him, Hebrews 12:5. Wherefore, lift up the hands which hang down and the feeble knees, Hebrews 12:12. In effect, we are being told to take heart when God works us over. It is a sign to us that we are truly his children. He doesn't spank the neighbor's kids. He disciplines his own. He chastens every son of his, Hebrews 12:6. And when he spanks, he really does. He doesn't mess around. He scourges, mastagao, as in flogs, every son he receives, Hebrews 12:6. And we are told here that this should be an incentive to encouragement as opposed to its opposite. Take heart. You are clearly one of God's own. Make sure to repent the sin all the way down to its foundations. And secondly, make sure to repent of the right sin. Don't go snipe hunting in your conscience, making up sins in a vain attempt to get God to lay off. Also, don't make the mistake of trying to mortify sin in your life without hating that sin. Those who are theologically aware are often maneuvered into the position of mildly disapproving of some of their mental habits, and they go through the motions of what they are pleased to call mortification. But mortification is not effective unless you hate what you are killing. I wish I could say that I know about this principle because I had read it in a book somewhere. Discouragement and affliction, but don't make the mistake of thinking that hard circumstances mean that you somehow must have sinned. This was the error of Job's failed comforters, Job 2:11. And it was the error of the disciples concerning the man born blind, John 9:2 and 3. It is simply not the case that every affliction that tempts us to discouragement is the result of some sin on our part. Sometimes it is, but there are numerous instances where that is not the case at all. So do not automatically assume sin when some trial comes upon you. It may be wise to check, but it is never wise to assume. But at the very least, every trial contains a temptation to murmur, an invitation to think that the God of the universe has bungled matters when it comes to your case. But God does all things perfectly well, Romans 8:28. All of our afflictions are hand-stitched, fitted to our circumstances perfectly. Two advocates. When Christians sin or when they struggle with affliction, there is an accuser of the brethren in heaven who is always ready to accuse them. But thanks to God, we also have an advocate there on our behalf. Christ is our attorney, defending us before the Father, 1 John 2:1 and 2. But keep in mind the fact that the devil does not just accuse you in the heavenly courts, he also accuses you to you. What kind of Christian do you think you are? In such cases, we have an advocate on earth as well as in heaven, John 14:16. The same word describes the office of the Son and the Spirit. Whether you stand accused in heaven or on earth, you have a court-assigned defender, the Son in heaven and the Spirit on earth. Whichever court the charges are submitted, it does not matter. And neither the Son nor the Spirit have ever lost a case. How could they get me off
도시에
him, I
나가서
wonder?
많은
I'm
사람들이
guilty.
왕래하는
They
것을
successfully
나도
defend sinners
똑같은
like you and
느낌이
me
들어요.
because they never
저는
ever argue from your
어려서부터
virtues or
길가에
mine.
나가서
Their
많은
case
사람이
always presupposes
지나다닐
our
때
guilt.
그
They
생각했던
always
적이
plead the
있어요.
blood of Christ
야,
shed
저
on
사람들이
earth,
다
and then
먹고
they plead the
산다는
blood of
것은
Christ sprinkled on the altar
신비한
of heaven.
일이다.
With that as the
그러면서
plea,
어렸을
there could
때도
never be a
제가
guilty
생각했어요.
verdict. No
하나님
condemnation. Now I
아니시면
dread.
못하시는 일이다.
Pictures for your peace.
하나님
First,
아니시면
distinguish the money in
못하시는
your bank account and the money in your
오늘
wallet.
이 시편
There's your basic
147편을
foundational wealth,
읽었는데요.
and there's the money
이
you have
시편
on you. If you are mugged,
147편의
then the
기자가
thieves can only
하나님을
take what you have in your
찬양하라고
person.
하면서
They cannot get at your
하는
bank
이유
account, which is not
중에
on
하나가 다
you. In the
그와
same
같은
way, a hard day
것이에요.
can only disturb that day's
그가
peace.
별들의
You have a
수요대로
fundamental
수요를
peace that a
세시고
rainy day cannot touch.
그것들을 다
Romans
이름대로
5:1.
부르시는도다.
Second, distinguish peace
우리
in
주는
the seed and peace
위대하시며
in the
능력이
flower.
많으시고
Often peace in
지혜가
the seed looks and feels
무궁하시도다.
like trouble. When you were
그러면서
first
8절
converted, you were
그가
all of a sudden now
구름으로
troubled
하늘을
over things that had
덮으시며
never bothered you
땅을 위하여
before.
비를
Don't be troubled
준비하시며
over that kind of trouble.
산에
It is the
풀이
best
자라게
trouble in the
하시며
world, and the bloom that comes from that
들짐승과
bud is the bloom of
우는
everlasting
까마귀
life.
새끼에게
And third,
먹을
distinguish
것을
peace from a distance,
주시는도다.
where you can only see the dancing,
그
and everybody looks
들짐승과
crazy,
우는
and peace up close
까마귀에게도
when you can hear
먹을
the
것을
music.
주시는 하나님.
The peace of
저는
God is a
그것을
guardian,
정말
a
인정할 수
fence,
있어요.
but it does not
이
encircle your
말씀
vices and
까마귀
sins.
새끼에게
Rather, your
먹을
hearts
것을
and minds are protected by
주시는도다
the
할
peace of
때
God,
제가
which passes
생각나는
all
말씀이
understanding.
있었어요.
Philippians
무슨
4:7. Do not
욥기
try to have your heart and
38장에
mind
있어요.
protect the peace of God.
제가 몇
That
절
is like
전에
using your head to
읽어드릴게요.
protect your helmet.
하나님이
The peace of God is the
욥과
armor, not the thing that needs to be
친구들에게
protected.
가만 논쟁하고
And be
이야기하는 거
encouraged.
듣다가 침묵하시다가 38장에서부터 말씀하시거든요. 그때 여호와께서 폭풍우 가운데에서 욥에게 말씀하여 이르시되 무지한 말로 생각을 어둡게 하는 자가 누구냐?
The attractiveness
너는
of the abolitionist
대장부처럼 허리를
position is that it
묶고
is simple and
내가
straightforward.
네게
There
묻는
are many
것을
positions that are attractive
대답할지니라.
in their apparent simplicity.
4절부터 참
Sermon on the
큰사예요.
Mount pacifism,
내가
or
땅에
early church
기초를 놓을 때
socialism,
내가
or swear
어디
not at all pietism.
있었느냐?
Simplicity is a
내가
virtue,
깨달아
but being
알았거든
simplistic is not.
말할지니라. 누가 그것의 도량법을 정하였는지 누가 그 줄을 그것의 위에 띄웠는지 내가 아느냐. 그것의 주추는 무엇 위에 세웠으며 그 모퉁이 떨을 누가 놓았느냐.
This one involved four of us.
그러다가
Joe Rigney
이런
was
말도
together
있어요.
with me, and T.
까마귀
Russell
새끼가
Hunter teamed
배가
up with
고파
John Speed.
오락가락할
And while we
때
didn't resolve
먹을
anything, I do
것을 준
think
것이
the debate was
누구냐.
clarifying in several ways.
이런
Many thanks to
말씀
Bible
나왔을 때
Dingers
하나님이
for
그러시는
hosting
거예요.
us.
이건 내가
There
다
were various points
만들었어.
that were brought up that I
이
would like
땅의
to develop
기초부터
further
다
here.
내가
Maybe
만든
even a
거야.
point that should have been
해와
brought up that
달과
somehow
별
wasn't.
다
This
내가
latter phenomenon
만들었어.
is something that
난
French
그
have a
수를
phrase
세고
for,
그 이름도
l'esprit
다
de
알아.
Scalier. And please, for those of you who listen to my blog
이렇게
posts,
말씀하시는
pardon my
것을
French, which
알
I
수
accomplished by
있어요.
means of rusty hedge clippers.
그러면서
This
이
refers to the
생각을
width
하고
of the staircase
나니까 또
and refers to
생각나는
things
것이
you think
있어요.
of later on that you should have said.
공중 나는
The
새를
perfect point you
보라.
ought to have made occurs to you, but it
농사하지
does so on
않아도
the staircase as you're making
하는
your
그
way to bed.
말씀이잖아요.
Oh well.
무엇을
Fill it out
먹을까
some more.
무엇을 입을까
First, there was
염려하지
one point that I
말라.
raised in the debate
너
that I want
공중
to
나는
fill out
새도
a bit
입히시고
more.
먹이시고
Because of the free-flowing
들의
nature of our
백합화를
discussion, I
입히시는
didn't get to
하나님
develop it as
아니냐.
much as I would have liked to do.
그러면서 제
That was
마음에
fault of
확
mine, of
닿아서
course, but
이렇게
there's no time
새겨진
like the
말씀이
present.
있어요.
Let us imagine a
하물며
range of
너희
anti-abortion responses and
일까
tactics and rank them on a
하물며
scale of 1
너희
to 10,
일까
with
보냐.
1 being the most tepid
이
and 10 being the
모든
most
풀
radical.
하나도
A 1
다
would be Bill
먹이시고
Clinton's safe, legal,
들짐승
and rare,
곤충 하나도
and 10 would be armed
입히시고
bands burning
먹이시는
down
하나님.
clinics and summarily
까마귀 새끼가
executing
배가 고파
abortionists. Together with
오락가락할 때
abolitionists, I would
무슨
agree
먹을
that the
것을
quote-unquote
챙겨주시는
pro-life
하나님이
options at the lower end of the
사랑하는
scale
너희들을
are morally
먹이고
compromised and
입히시지
examples of sin.
않겠느냐 하는
The debate we had was a
말씀이에요.
debate between sixes and sevens.
하나님을
The question I would like to
잊어버리고
press here
이런
has to
것을
do with trying to
잊어버리고
identify the
눈앞에
guiding
보이는
principle that
고난과
enables the sevens
고통과
to stop at seven.
아픔과
If the central
어려움만
charge against the
생각하면
sixes is that
생명이
they do
없는 것
not come all the way up to seven,
하나님이 안
a
계신 것
logical
같아요.
follow-up question
꼭
would be,
죽을
once we are
것만
both
같아요.
sevens, why do we not go on
그런데
to
이렇게
eight?
나와보면
This would be to
우리는 다
organize sit-ins and
살았잖아요.
rescues at abortion
살기만
clinics.
해요.
Why not
얼마나
nine? This would be to
아름다워요.
fight for legislation to
질서
secede from
정연하자.
the union
왜
if any
그래요?
other state failed
우연히
to
그래요?
adopt a standard
그렇지
other
않아요.
than absolute
하나님이
abolition. And why not
섭리하시고
10? This would be
관리하시고
armed insurrection with the
사랑하시고
eradication of abortion as
보살피셔서
its stated goal.
모든 것들은
Why
다
not go to war,
아름답고
as in
모든
actual
것들은
war?
다
In short,
생명으로
what is the standard
충만하고
that enables
이
us to
땅의
be
모든
unable to
것들이
live with some
살아서
compromises
대를
and able to
이어가고
live with
있는
others?
것이
Again,
여러분
by what
그분이
standard?
우리가
I believe
믿는
the answer to this
하나님
question lies in the recognition that
천지를
trade-offs
창조하신
can represent
전능하신
more
하나님
compromise. But whether
그런데
they do
그
or not, they are
하나님은
nevertheless
우리의
inescapable.
아버지셔요.
That means that accepting some
하물며
trade-offs is
너일까
acceptable and other
저거 다 내가
trade-offs are not.
만들었지만
Our dilemma is
저거
never
만든
trade-off,
거하고
no
내가 너를
trade-off.
창조한
In this
거하고는
fallen world, the
달라.
dilemma is always which trade-offs are
저거는 내가
lawful.
자연으로
Whether you
만물로
believe in trade-offs
만들었어.
or not, this does
창조물이야.
not keep the trade-offs
너는
from
내
happening anyhow.
아들이야.
So the
너는 내
Christian who is
딸이야.
seeking to navigate
내가
this issue
저것들도
is
귀히
never going to
여기고
be in a
그렇게
position
신경
where the
써서
trade-offs are
까마귀 새끼가
non-existent.
배고파도
What he has to
그
do is
먹을
make
거
sure that whatever
챙겨주는
trade-off
난데
he accepts
어떻게 내가
is
너를
consistent with the
입히고
law of
먹이지
God.
않겠냐.
Smash Mouth
사탄에게
advocates would
썩지
rather have a
말아라.
bill signed
조금
into law
어렵다고
that protects
하나님
some
안
babies,
계신
but a
것처럼
purer bill that
절망하지
doesn't make
말아라.
it to the governor's
조금
desk and that
힘들고
therefore protects no
낙심된다고
babies. Not
의심하지
only so,
말아라.
it is the place where abolitionists say that it
여러분
is a
오늘 이
compromise that
자연에서
represents a
이
plain
촬영하는 게
moral
뜻이
failing.
있다고
But
생각해요.
wait, the trade-offs
여러분
continue
뒤에
on up
보이는
the
거
line.
아름다우시죠?
The abolitionist, while
저거 다
fighting for
살아있는 거
absolute protection
아시죠?
of the unborn in one
누가
state through
살렸게요?
legislative means,
하나님이
is
살리셨어요.
nevertheless willing to forgo
누가
direct
저렇게
action in
아름답게
peacefully shutting down
하셨겠어요?
clinics. That's a
하나님이
trade-off.
하셨어요.
The legislative process
그런데
is
그
slow,
하나님이
and so why
저를
aren't we trying to save
사랑하시고
as many babies as
여러분을
we can
사랑하시고
today? Why not go to
입히시고
8?
먹이시고
How many babies will die
구원하시고
while we are getting a
살리실
clean
하나님을
abolition bill to the floor of the
마음에
legislature?
믿어드리고
Why not direct and
하나님을
peaceful
믿는
action at the
믿음으로
clinics now?
하나님을 찬양할
Then
수
once we are
있는
at 8, we
우리
go back to
사랑하는
the legislature.
날마다
Let's
기막힌
kick it up to
새벽
9.
우리
Why are we
가족들,
introducing
친구들
abolitionist
다
bills
되실
that,
수
if
있기를
passed,
주
would still
이름으로
leave our now
축원합니다.
pure state in an impure covenant and
우리
alliance with
공중
49
나는
other
새를
states
보라
that don't
농사하지
protect the
않아도
unborn adequately, with
찬송 한번
many of them
부르려면
that
내가
don't
아까
protect the unborn
골라놨는데
at
또
all.
틀렸네.
Jehoshaphat had no business being in an
공중
alliance with
나는
Ahab.
새를 보라
What are we doing?
하는
That is yet
찬송입니다.
another trade-off. We would rather have an intact America
예,
than take a thoroughgoing stand for the
588장입니다.
unborn.
우리
While fighting for
여기
children
그
here,
찬송
we are
불러도
nevertheless
괜찮을까
willing to
안
remain in a
들릴까?
covenanted union
그냥
with
용기
states
내서
that murder their
불러볼랍니다.
children over there and right up to birth, too.
공중
When Paul Hill shot the
나는
abortionists
새를
years ago, his logic was
보라
that pro-lifers use the rhetoric of murder for their
농사하지
fundraising purposes, but they
않으며
don't really act like it is murder in real life. Why don't we take up arms in order to prevent the bloodshed that is happening
드린
today? Waiting for a pure
것이
bill to get out of committee would just
없어도
seem to a revolutionary
세상
pro-lifer to be just another species of
주관하는
dithering. To a revolutionary
주님
pro-lifer, the smash mouth guys
새를
and the abolitionists together are just a pack of sissies, and with not a dime's worth of difference
너희
between them. So what standard
먹을
does the abolitionist
것을
appeal to when
위해
debating with someone like Paul Hill? So the
근심할
smash mouth
건
position is that trade-offs are regrettably
무엇냐
necessary, that we are
들의
responsible to do whatever we can, and to do so
백합화를
while playing the long game.
보라
But the abolitionist position is no trade-offs at all. So for them, directed to them, the most reasonable question would seem to be, why the trade-offs then? Why do you stop where you do? Which end of the feet are the toes on? Another point I wish to fill out a bit more is this one. Why is the content of the bill the only thing considered, and not the trajectory of the bill? The debate has to do with the lawfulness of signing a bill that said simply, no abortions will be performed in this state after the detection of a fetal heartbeat. The abolitionist position is that such a law is compromised in its very essence, and that no Christian magistrate could ever sign something like that without sinning. The smash-mouth incrementalist position is that signing such a bill could be a degraded and immoral act, or it could be an act of high virtue. It all depends. Depends on what? Let me give you two scenarios that illustrate both the wickedness and the virtue, and they do so by passing identical legislation. Say that a governor, a professing Christian, signed such a bill, but he did so in a state that previously had an absolute ban on all abortions. The effect of this law he just signed would be to legalize the killing of unborn children prior to a heartbeat. It would introduce murder into a state. This would be an act of great wickedness. Say that another governor, also a professing Christian, signed a bill with exactly the same language, but he did this in a state in which abortion on demand was already legal and widely accepted. The effect of the law that he signed, this same law with the same wording, would be to save the lives of all the unborn children who had a heartbeat. He would have signed a stronger bill, but no bills of that nature were going to make it through the legislature. Nevertheless, the result of the first signature was that the legalized murder started, and the effect of the second signature was that a large part of the murdering stopped. The smash mouth argument is that to examine the words of a bill only, and not to include the intent or the effect or the trajectory, is a tragic form of myopia. Regulating that which you hate. The central argument that Joe Rigney brought to the debate was that Scripture tells us that God hates divorce, Malachi 2:16. Nevertheless, because of the hardness of the people's hearts, God permitted divorce, Matthew 19:6-8. And the problem that the Pharisees had was that they interpreted God's permission as being tantamount to approval.
또 많은 어려움과 아픔과 질병 속에서 모든 것이 다 죽어 있는 것처럼 죽어가는 것처럼 착각하여 그 절망감이 주는 삶의 우울함을 이겨내기가 어렵습니다. 이렇게 자연에 나와보면 깨닫습니다. 온 세상은 생명으로 충만하다는 것을, 그리고 온 세상은 아름답다는 것을, 이 세상이 생명으로 충만한 까닭은 하나님입니다. 이 세상이 어디를 보아도 아름다운 까닭은 다 하나님 때문입니다. 하나님 한 분 잊지 못하면 이 모든 것은 존재할 수가 없습니다. 까마귀 새끼가 배고파 오락가락할 때 먹을 것을 준 것이 누구냐? 내가 세상의 기초를 놓을 때 너는 어디서 무엇을 하였느냐? 내가 다 만들었어. 내가 다 입히고 먹여 하물며 너희일까보다. 내가 창조물도 귀히 여기거늘 사랑하는 자녀인 너희들을 입히고 먹이지 않겠느냐? 하시는 말씀을 자연을 통하여 또 듣습니다. 이 음성을 통하여 모든 고난과 역경을 이겨낼 믿음을 얻게 하시고 하나님이 나를 사랑하셔서 나를 입히시고 먹이시고 살리시고 구원하시고 아름답게 하실 것을 믿는 믿음으로 일어서게 하시고 승리하게 하옵소서. 예수 그리스도 이름을 받들어 기도하옵나이다. 아멘. 얼마 전에는 우리 막내 아들이 있는 제주도 가서 이렇게 한인 택시 촬영했는데 이렇게 집에서 하는 것도 좋은데 이렇게 자연이 나오니까 좋더라고요. 오늘 이렇게 캠핑 나오자 그래서 제가 아이패드 들고 이렇게 카메라 들고 나와서 하니까 참 좋습니다. 캠핑카 같은 거 하나 있으면 돌아다니면서 찍어도 좋겠다 하는 생각을 했었습니다. 이 자연을 보면서 여러분들도 위로를 얻으시고 새 힘을 얻으시고 이 모든 자연을 지배하시고 창조하시고 관리하신 하나님이 나의 하나님이시다 하는 것을 믿는 믿음으로 새로운 힘을 얻으시는 우리 날마다 기막힌 새벽 우리 식구들 다 되시기를 바랍니다. 여러분 감사합니다. 여러분 사랑합니다.
Other practices he phased out by regulating them. Lex talionis, concubinage, polygamy, the blood avenger. And if we want to learn how to distinguish what should be in which category, to the law and to the testimony, Isaiah 8:20. Conclusion. The attractiveness of the abolitionist position is that it is simple and straightforward. The charge that will be brought against the arguments marshaled above, and anything like them, is that they are complicated and stuffed full of words. My reply is that simplicity is a virtue, but being simplistic is not. There are many positions that are attractive in their apparent simplicity. Sermon on the Mount pacifism, or early church socialism, or swear not at all pietism. There are good answers to them all, but they are answers that are stuffed full of words. But they are not just words. They are arranged into arguments. And it is my conviction that they are arguments that need to be answered and not just denied. You don't want to come off like one of those election deniers, do you? Of course I do. Let me roll out my troglodyte credentials. Paper ballots straight up, all counted on election night before 11 p.m. is the way. Lemon squeezy. No early voting, no ballot drop-off boxes, no electronic machines, no FBI raids on opposing candidates, no convoluted legal cases during an election, and no more calls for dropping the Electoral College for doing exactly what it was designed to do. Introduction. I would like to take a moment, dear reader, to explain why ranked choice voting is a really bad idea. I'm doing this because certain malevolent forces have managed to get the option of approving said ranked choice voting onto the ballot this November in Idaho. I said that this was a really bad idea, but do not wish to mislead you by underselling the badness of it. If bad ideas were a monarchy, this would be their king. If bad ideas were cliches, this would be a stitch in time and a bird in the bush. If bad ideas were a 5-gallon bucket, there would be at least 10 gallons all over the floor. I suggest you read through this piece by Dan McLaughlin over at NR, then read through the rest of what I have to say below, and then in the conclusion I may tell you what I really think about all this.
this. All this in addition to the fact that if bad ideas were a dog's breakfast, this would be a half-eaten taco behind a dumpster in a Mexico City barrio, explaining the mechanics of this bad idea. Those in favor of this travesty will call it a proposal for a quote-unquote open primary. I've already seen an ad that treats it like Fresh Mountain Air, the way Salem cigarettes used to do in their ads. Springtime fresh. Fresh Mountain Air seems brisk enough and all bracing and healthy-like, but since I'm tired of this metaphor, it is simply the expensive paint to give the haunted house some curb appeal. This would not be an open primary according to the traditional definition, but should be called, more accurately, a jungle primary. And by jungle, I'm not referring to the beauty of exotic butterflies, but rather to the snakes, to the large and slimy ones. All of this is being brought to you courtesy of Prop 1, and so you should consider it your duty to show up on Election Day in order to vote no against this beast from the lagoon, all while singing at least 2 or 3 imprecatory psalms. If passed, how will it go? How will it work? All the candidates, no matter what party they belong to, are all in the same primary election. We throw everybody into the same pot, and the 4 top vote getters then get to advance to the general election. In that general election, you do not get to vote for just one candidate, no, but you must instead rank all the candidates in order of your preferences. This forces you to vote for each candidate at some level. Maybe you didn't want to vote for any commies as your 3rd and 4th choices, but that is too bad. You aren't against democracy, are you? Hater. Please keep in mind that jungle primaries and ranked choice voting are not the same thing. They are not the same bad idea. Rather, they are 2 very distinct bad ideas that have been bundled into one. The end result will not be simply additive, but rather a force multiplier of bad ideas. The ideal election system for sensible people would be to reduce as much friction as possible between the casting of the votes and the announcement of the winner. This is a system that introduces additional friction, more handlers, more opportunities for glitches, more chances of delay, and more yawning invitations to corruption. The officials who are to be entrusted with everything will then take all the ballots to a secure location somewhere in order to conduct some serious math. After lots and lots of tabulations, which will not be a transparent process. Are you joking? They will take a few days to continue doing their serious math until they finally figure out that they needed to carry the 2, divide by 6, multiply by the square root of 16, and then a winner is declared. It takes this long because the lowest vote getters drop. And then the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th preferences of those discarded votes have to be taken into account. And call me nervous, but I can't shake the feeling that people who come up with ideas like this one are not very good at math. So if this proposal does not give you the phantoms, then you are quite frankly beyond the reach of any normal person phantoms, or willies, or Jim Jams, and perhaps this is because your conscience has been seared with a hot iron. I would suggest a period of soul-searching and perhaps a spinal adjustment by a burly chiropractor. You need to do something. The old Idaho has got to go. What about here in Idaho? In statewide elections in Idaho, the progressive left does not actually stand a chance. That is, they do not stand said chance when each political party picks their guy, and then the Idaho voters choose between the 2. The clear purpose of Prop 1 is to enable the left to win statewide elections in a state where otherwise, as the New York cab driver would say, forget about it. They intend to do this by means of electoral ratcheting. Do the Boise Pride Fest people want this? They do. Do all the left-wing lawyers want it? They do. Do those neighborhoods that have yard signs promoting various commie miscreants also have a lot of yard signs up urging a vote yes on Prop 1? They do. This is actually all you need to know. What this will do in Idaho is rob the Republican Party of the right to select a candidate for their own party. It removes the right of like-minded political actors to decide on their own strategy. As things now stand, Republican primaries usually have some rhino running against some hardliner conservative. In such a system, here in Idaho, the election can go either way. Sometimes the rhino wins, sometimes the hardliner wins, and other times the hardliner wins and magically transforms while in office, turning into a rhino. But whatever happens, whoever wins that primary will most likely win the general election. And we all know that even the Republican squish will be better than whatever Menshevik is put forward by the Democrats. Under Prop 1, the hardliner, the rhino, and the commie go into the same jungle primary, and all of them will most likely advance to the general election. So rather than 2 Republicans toughening one another up as members of the same party, this mandates a splitting of the conservative vote. Please allow me to say that again. This mandates a splitting of the conservative vote. Someone might reply that it could split the commie vote also, but with this system, splitting the vote of conservatives will have far more of a negative impact on them. Alaska is a 60-40 Republican state, and this misbegotten system is what enabled the Democrat to defeat Sarah Palin for an open congressional seat there. That was the whole point of adopting the system in the first place. I refer you again to the McLaughlin piece. This is a bit of electoral chicanery that will allow Democrats to win after multiple rounds of ranked choice voting and carrying the two, etc., and accusing anyone who voices any suspicions of being a conspiracy theorist and an election denier. And a white supremacist. Speaking of chicanery, at this point, someone might be tempted to take me aside and warn me that I myself am sounding like conspiratorial. You don't want to come off like one of those election deniers, do you? Of course I do. Let me roll out my troglodyte credentials. Paper ballots straight up, all counted on election night before 11 p.m. is the way. Lemon squeezy. No early voting, no ballot drop-off boxes, no electronic machines, no FBI raids on opposing candidates, no convoluted legal cases during the election, and no more calls for dropping the Electoral College for doing exactly what it was designed to do. Just call me old-fashioned. Having mentioned that, the people who want to abandon the Electoral College are also the people who want to determine the winner of the World Series by adding up the total number of rounds scored in the series. Sorry, that is not the baseball way. Slaying this beast at the ballot box. Despite the constitutional problems with all of this, reasonable people lack the confidence that the Idaho Supreme Court would slap it down like they should. After all, they have parties hosted by the swells of Boise to attend. And their wives don't want to go and be stared at like something the cat just deposited on your throw rug inside the front door. It kind of spoils the evening for her. Having mentioned the constitutional problems, even though that is not likely to be where the political action is, I should at least mention one aspect of the constitutional high-handedness involved in all of this. Prop 1 actually extinguishes the First Amendment right of party expression. Parties no longer have the freedom to select their own nominees. Instead, they can easily be shackled against their will to one or more candidates who simply claim affiliation with the party and who made it past the jungle primary. In other words, someone who was the second choice of a bunch of Democrats could be the Republican officeholder and wind up in that position because he was the second choice of a bunch of Democrats. But to disenfranchise a party like this is to rob individual citizens of the right to coordinate their political action with others, which in turn disenfranchises them. And so this measure is emitting noxious fumes that the Idaho Supreme Court is unlikely to smell, which raises the question of what is to be done. If this measure is going to be defeated, and have I mentioned that it needs to be defeated? It needs to go down at the ballot box. And by going down, I mean that the good people of Idaho need to soak it with a full can of lighter fluid and touch it off. Ideally, this should be accompanied with loud whoops. If this is not defeated, it will simply prevent Idaho from continuing to be Idaho. It will interfere with the state being able to govern itself as a majority conservative state and will instead allow the same people who hate every form of electoral accountability to take complete control of the process here. They will do this in elections for the state legislature, for federal offices, and for statewide offices. It needs to be stopped the same way all monstrosities should be stopped. Unfortunately, the conservatives need to make up a lot of ground because we need to get this done in the next few weeks. If I might be so bold, may I ask that you send a link to this post to any of your friends who are Idaho voters?
이런 기사가 났어요. 이제 나면서부터 장애가 있는 장애 있는 친구들을 직업 교육시키려고 사제를 털어서 기술 교육을 시키던 분이 계셨는데
Dear Darla, so I take it that things are getting a mite serious over there. Good for you. I trust you are smiling at him brightly.
연한도 피우지 못한다 하는 말을 나왔더니 그 다음 날 신문에
That apparently being the case, let me compare and contrast two different kinds of daddy issues. When a father has been a good father to his daughter, as yours obviously has been, despite being a great blessing, it nevertheless creates a unique set of challenges. When a father has been distant or abdicating or abusive, this creates another set of challenges, what are popularly known as daddy issues. As your dad has been a strong father both to you and to your siblings, this does not remove the possibility of something going wrong. It just changes the nature of what could go wrong. So let me begin with the situation that you are likely to encounter, and then I'll compare it to the other kind of situation, the really sad kind. A father has an entirely different relationship to his daughters than he does with his sons. It is not the case that he just has generic kids and provided he treats them well, everything will unfold in exactly the same way. No, he's a man, and he's a man with sons and daughters. A good father is modeling for his sons what they should want to be like. Well, he's doing something very different for his daughters. For them, he is modeling what they should want a future husband to be like. A similar thing happens on the other
이런
side with mothers and
아들을
daughters and
둘씩이나
mothers and
주신
sons.
것은
In this case, he is modeling the kind of man you should want,
뽐내라고 주신
not the
것이
kind of
아니라
man you should be.
이렇게
The paradigm for all
나면서부터
this was
어려움을
established in
겪는
the Garden of
우리
Eden long
이웃들을
ago.
돕고
Therefore shall a man
섬기라고
leave his
주신
father and his
것입니다.
mother, and shall cleave
그래서
unto
집에
his
있는
wife,
돈
and they shall
중에
be one flesh.
큰아들 대학
Genesis 2:24. Also see
준비금을
Matthew
제외한
19:5.
모든 돈을 가지고
Sons leave,
왔습니다.
daughters are given. This
하나님께서
means the
지금은
son
이만한
detaches from his
심부름밖에는
father
시키시지
in a manner that is very
않으시지만
different than how a daughter
앞으로 더 큰
detaches,
심부름을
although they both
시키실
are
날이
separated from their
오리라고
families of origin in
믿습니다.
order to form a new family unit. When the Apostle
세상이
Paul
다
is writing about the different
흔해지는 느낌을
requirements for the
받았습니다.
sexes in the course of a
이렇게
service of
예수를
worship, he
믿는
says
사람이
this:
내가
Let your
살고 있는
women
이
keep
땅에
silence in the
있구나 하는 게
churches,
참
for it is not permitted unto them to
감사했습니다.
speak, but they are commanded to be
더
under
큰 심부름을
obedience,
시키실
as
날이
also
오리라
saith the law.
믿습니다.
1
그런데
Corinthians
저도 믿었습니다.
14:34. As the law
그 아들이
says.
공부
But where
잘했다
does the law
그랬잖아요.
say
전교
that?
1등이든
The most
같은
likely candidate is
수제들이라고
found in Numbers
했잖아요.
30, the
그
passage
아이들이
that talks
어머니의
about how to
그런
manage it when a
삶을
daughter
보고
or a
뭘
wife has made a vow
배웠겠습니까?
to the Lord. I won't
그러니까 그
quote the
아이들은
passage at
더
length here,
큰
but it is
심부름을
worth looking up and
분명히
reading
지금
through
하고 있을
carefully.
것이라
Numbers 30,
저는
3
그렇게
through 16.
생각하고
In that
조금 더
passage, if a
믿어
woman vows
의심치
something to
않습니다.
the Lord, her father has the authority to
꼭 전교
abrogate that
1등과
vow when he
2등을
first hears of
해야만
it.
하나님께서
But if he hears of it
인도하는
and says
건
nothing,
아닙니다.
then her vow stands.
그런데
This shows
전교
how even an
1등과
abdicating
2등을 할
father is
수
held
있는
responsible. His
능력을
inaction is
주를
treated by
위하여
the law
바로
of God as
쓰면
action. If
그게
this young woman
좋은
then
일이지
marries, the same
좋지 못한
principle
일이
carries over
왜
to her new husband.
되겠습니까?
If he hears of it and says nothing, then the
바울
vow
시대
stands.
때
This shows that there is
로마
an analogous
시민권은
relation
돈
between a
주고
father
사는
and daughter
것이었습니다.
and a husband and a
엄청난
daughter.
특권이었습니다.
Both a father and a husband
실제적인
are
특권들이
heads,
있었기
and at a
때문에
wedding, that covenantal
로마
headship is
시민권을 돈
transferred.
주고 사고
But I would have you know that the head of every man is Christ, and the head of the woman is the man,
나면서부터
and the head of Christ is God.
로마
1 Corinthians 11:3.
사람들은
If the head of the
그것을
woman is
정말
the man,
생명보다 더
referring to her
귀히
husband,
여기고
if we place these
부러워했을 텐데
passages together,
바울은
this means that her
그것까지도
father was her covenant head
자기에게는
before she was married. And
배설물과
why are you bringing
같다.
all this up, you might be asking?
그리스도
I'm in
예수를
love,
아는
so why the
지식이
deep theology?
가장 고상함을
Well, this is all
인하여
going to be enormously
배설물로
practical in just a
여겼다.
few
그렇게
months.
고백하지
The stronger and
않습니까?
tighter your
그리고
relationship with your
사실입니다.
dad, the more of a challenge it
바울은
will be
로마
transferring that
시민권
allegiance to a
덕을
different
보지
man.
않았고
Not only
보려고
that, but a
하지도
different man who's 30 years younger than
덕이
your
된다고
dad
생각 안
and that
했습니다.
much more inexperienced,
그런데
and who
여러분
doesn't have the same kind
이상한
of deep
것은
account with you that your father
바울이
does.
로마
About the only
시민권을
thing he has over your
포기하지
father is that he
않았다.
can probably run faster. But it
버리지
is not
않았다는
hopeless.
것입니다.
What he has going for him is
배설물이라고
that this whole
그랬는데
thing is
왜
apparently
버리지
a design
않았지?
feature. God
버리지
intends for
않고
this to be done,
주를
so
위하여
when it is done
잘
right, it
썼습니다.
really is glorious. But there are ways in which it can be
바울이
done
로마
poorly,
시민권이
ineptly, or not at
없었다면
all. So it is a
로마의
father's task
복음이
to have his daughter's
전해지는 일이
emotional bank
어려웠을
account full
것입니다.
and topped off.
바울이
But he has to
로마를
do
간
this
게
in such
로마
a way
시민권을
as enables
이용했거든요.
her to transfer it all to another bank.
재판이 걸렸어요.
If he does this right, he is
재판관은
giving a new
혐의
and
없다고
inexperienced
놔주려고
husband a
그랬어요.
head start and
그런데
time
그냥
enough to
가만히
learn the
있었으면
ropes.
풀려났을
The new
텐데
husband can draw on the
바울은
account that
스스로
the father
풀려나지
established.
않고
But if dad is the wrong kind of alpha
상소했어요.
father, he's going to have
그게
trouble
로마
letting go,
시민권자의
or his daughter might
특권이거든요.
have trouble letting go,
그러면
or both.
형제가
And this
재판을
is how
해야
the poor
돼요.
daughter becomes the rope in
그래서
a tug of
로마로
war.
가게 되었어요.
One of the temptations that comes to
재판장이
strong
그랬어요.
fathers is the
항소하지
temptation of
않았으면
viewing strong
놓아줄 수 있을
sons-in-law as
뻔하였도다.
competition
이해가 안
somehow.
간단
This is the
말이죠.
setup for all
그냥
kinds of
놓아주려고
problems.
하는데 너는
When your
이렇게
dad gives you
굳이
away,
서서
he's such a
항소를
gracious
해서
Christian
재판할
gentleman.
거냐?
I have no doubt that he will do
바울에는
it
생각이
right.
있었죠.
But sometimes
공정하고.
daughters don't have their father's wisdom,
로마로 압송이
and they compare
되었는데
their husbands
여러분
to their
생각해
dads
보세요.
in the
로마
wrong
황제
way. And there
재판을
are fathers,
가자마자
and I'm afraid that
받겠습니까?
I've seen them, who give their
재판을
daughters
기다리는
hand
동안에
ceremoniously
몇
during the
년 동안을
wedding, but no other
거하면서
way. They don't really let
복음을
go, in other words.
엄청난 복음의
A young
역사가
couple
일어나지
needs to fix it in
않습니까?
their minds that they are establishing a new
배설물처럼
covenant
여기는
household,
로마
one that as households
신권을
go has
참
the same
바울은
rank as the
근사하게
households they grew up in. The household of
사용하였죠.
the kids is not an annex to or extension of the households of the groom's family or of the bride's.
오늘 그
After the wedding, we have 3 households, not 2 and a half. You don't want your oldest child to be 16 when he experiences his first Thanksgiving in his own home. I know you folks very well, and I know that they're committed to this principle that I'm describing, and so I know that they're not going to be difficult. But this should still be one of your expectations for Trent. You should be considering whether or not he's the kind of man who would shield you from your well-meaning in-laws, or if your folks are being difficult, from them as well. If you were getting undue pressure from his mother or from your father, which we obviously do not expect, he's the kind of man who will step in between. Will he be the kind of man who would say, Mom, we really want to hear your concerns, and we will consider them and pray through them, but you really need to bring them to me and not to Darla. Good fences make good neighbors, and a good man is always a good fence.
Compare all this to the other kind
그
of
자리에서
problem. If a
빌립에게
young woman
세례를
has the other
받는
kind of daddy
놀라운
issues,
역사가
she
일어나지
can't get away from
않았습니까?
home fast enough.
그
Or at
일을
least it appears that
누가
way. But she has a
지시했습니까?
vacuum inside,
성령님
and she's looking for a way to fill it up. It is a vacuum that is shaped like an authoritative male head, and so she takes her father void, her father hunger with her. This is why she so easily latches onto or clings to a man or to men, to anyone that she thinks might be able to fill that void. And so she goes off to empower herself through pole dancing or some other way of disappointing her father. Of course, there's no shortage of men around, but none of these men can fill that void. And a good 2/3 of them don't even want to. They just pretend to want to in order to get her into bed, and then they are gone like the whistling wind. And just like the whistling wind, they never call anymore. But in a healthy situation, as I said above, the father of the bride is giving the new husband a head start. He is beginning a new venture in the establishment of his household, and a godly father has been the financier, the venture capitalist. When a secure daughter transfers her allegiance to her new head, which is not the same thing as transferring loyalty, affection, or respect, she's doing something that should come naturally. She loves and respects her dad, as always, but her allegiance has been transferred. She is a naturalized citizen of another country now. A woman used to carry her father's name, and now her last name is the name of her husband. When feminists kick at this, thinking that they are subverting the patriarchy, they're not actually keeping their womanly name. They are doggedly sticking with their father's name and their grandfather's and their great-grandfather's. They are being narrowly patriarchal in this. A Christian maiden is brought up knowing that a woman is not bound to one male line forever. She knows that each new generation of daughters is privileged to bring new life to a new line. This is God's design. A woman is supposed to take her husband's name. This is not a quaint Anglo-Saxon custom. It is fully biblical. Male and female created them and blessed them and called their name Adam in the day when they were created. Genesis 5:2. God created them, male and female, and placed his blessing upon that and called their name Mr. and Mrs. Adam. All the LGBTQ plus business is nothing less than hostility toward the blessing of God. You should therefore relinquish your father's name, and you should do it with joy. When your dad gives you away, it is so that you might take a name other than his, and that should bring him great joy. How could it not? It is God's design. With gladness and rejoicing, they shall be brought. They shall enter the king's palace. Instead of your fathers shall be your sons, whom you shall make princes in all the earth. Psalm 45, 15 and 16. Your uncle, Douglas. So, thanks for watching our content. We really appreciate it. I want to take a second to talk about my book, Angels in the Architecture, and how you can listen to the audio version for just 99 cents, which, if you round up, is a whole dollar. The modern view of the world is empty and lifeless, nothing more than a bunch of matter in motion, with life by the thousandth, millionth chance emerging from chaos. The modern world, as a result, can only conceive of progress as more efficiency, more technology, more domination, greatly improved matter in motion. By way of contrast, the Christian faith presents a glorious vision for culture and a vision of the world in which truth, beauty, and goodness are built into the very molecules of the universe. Angels in the Architecture, which I wrote together with Doug Jones, the book covers such diverse topics as creeds, poetry, history, the church, feasting, and storytelling. And here comes my best imitation of a salesman. The audiobook is now available at mycanonplus.com. You haven't joined Canon Plus yet. What's wrong with you? Oh, yeah, excuse me. You can get your first month for just 99 cents by using promo code DOUG99, DOUG99, all caps. My name is in there not as an ego thing. We're just trying to help you remember it.
여러분 꼭 좋은 대학을 가야만 된다라는 세상적인 얘기 하려는 거 아닙니다. 제가 이런 설교를 하면 자꾸 그런 쪽으로 공격하고 또 오해하는 분들도 있지만 그 얘기 아닙니다. 여러분, 우리가 세상에 욕심이 없다고 공부도 안 하고 일도 안 하고 돈도 안 벌고 나물 먹고 물 마시고 팔벽에 하고 누웠으니 세상이 이만하면 족하지 않습니까? 만일 그렇게 산다면 세상은 어떻게 되겠습니까? 이기적인 마음, 욕심, 예수님 모르는 마음을 가진 사람들이 다 성공하고 그들이 다 높은 자리 차지하고 그 사람들이 다 출세하고 권력을 갖는다면 세상은 얼마나 피폐해지고 어려워지겠습니까? 여러분, 우리의 야망을 위해서가 아니라 우리의
As much as we
욕심을
might
채우기
admire the
위해서가
honesty
아니라
of such messaging
세상을
by our
섬기기 위해서
politicians, the
공부할 수도
detestable
있고
image still needed to
세상을
go.
잘 섬기기 위해서
Anyhow,
열심히
Joe made
사업을
his
할 수도
inquiry,
있고
and his question
하나님의
excited some
나라를
comment.
위해서
Lord Hanuman
열심히
does raise some interesting
출세하려고
questions. Vandalism,
그런다고
destruction of
한다면
private property,
그것도 우리가 받아들여야 할
vigilantism,
일이
liberty of
아닐까.
conscience. What is going on
저는
here?
성령님께서
I have decided to
에디오피아
tell you,
국고를 맡은
testing the limits.
내시를 중히
First, before
여기시고
we get into the
그에게
political
복음
theology
전하려고
of the thing,
하셨던
what we
뜻이
are looking at is a clear and naked
그것도 있지
instance of
않을까
someone testing
하는
the
그런
limits.
생각을 하고
It is a matter of
그런
practical
해석을 하고
psychology
오늘
first.
이런
This
설교를
is a universal
해봤습니다.
human phenomenon, and it goes on all the time.
나는 오늘
Pets do it,
설교하고 상관이
toddlers do
없네.
it,
부자도
sullen
아니고
teenage girls do it,
뭐
and large immigrant
높은 데
communities do
출세한
it.
것도 아닌데
People naturally
나하고는
test
상관없는데
boundaries. It is our way of finding out who is actually in charge.
여러분
Those who do
우리가
the testing
옛날에
are the
비하면
confident
얼마나
ones, and
많이
those who act the part
경제적으로
of the
여유
nonplussed
있어졌습니다.
are not. Please follow
또
me carefully here. The
세상
confident
사람과
ones.
비교해서
The
높고
question
낮은 게
before the
있지만
aggressive ones
나도
is, how far
세상을
can we
위해서
push
쓸
this
수 있는
before someone says
능력과
no? The
기회들이
answer, at least
얼마나
today,
많이
is pretty
있습니다.
far. When the strong gods
것들을
come, the
내
weak gods
욕심과
give way.
야망을 채우기
Chesterton
위해서만
probably didn't
쓰지
say it,
말고
but he should have. Those who don't
하나님과
stand for
하나님의
something will fall
나라와
for anything.
하나님의
We are
백성들을
now in such
섬기기
a
위해서
state of civic
쓰려고 한다고
disarray
하면
that we will fall for
그
anything.
쓰임이 너무
These
기뻐서
Hindus know what they
더
believe,
열심히
and they have
일하고
acted
더 열심히
accordingly.
공부하고
Heartland
더
Americans
열심히
don't know
돈을
what they
번다면
believe and wouldn't know how to
여러분
defend
그
it if
또한
they did know.
하나님 나라를
They
위해서
feel like
좋은 일이
something is wrong
아닐까
with this whole thing
하는
somehow,
생각이
but
들어서
cannot articulate it. When they try to raise
비판의
their
여지가
inchoate
많고
concerns at
이제까지
family reunions,
많은 사람들이
they have a
설교하면
learned cousin,
오해하고
a seminary
시험드는
grad,
일이
who
있어서
patiently explains to them that
머뭇거렸지만
this is the price we
기도
pay
많이
for liberty.
하고
And thus an appeal is made to another
여러분들에게
giant statue,
조심스럽게 이
this one
말씀을
being up in New
전했습니다.
York and not Texas.
여러분들께서
The liberty
성령님께서
that these Hindus have
도와주셔서
found here in the land
제가
of the free
이
should
말씀을
actually
왜
be
전하는지
celebrated, the learned
목적이
cousin
뭔지를
explains. Celebrated? Before
제대로
addressing the argument of our
이해하셔서
learned cousin, it
하나님
needs to be
나라를
pointed
위해서
out
크게
that his
잘
demeanor is
쓰임받는
thoroughly compromised.
우리 날개
His
새
sophisticated
식구들 다
dismissal of
되실
the
수
whole
있기를
thing,
주의
as though it
이름으로
did not
축원합니다.
constitute a grave problem, is an
힘들었어요.
answer that has been
조심하느라고.
marinating for some time now in a tray filled with
우리
wickedness and sin.
찬송가
The
510장
Apostle Paul was
제가
deeply distraught
골랐습니다.
when he came to Athens.
하나님의
And why?
진리 등대
Because the city was
길이길이
crammed
빛나니
with idols. Now,
우리들도
while Paul waited for them at
등대되어
Athens, his
주의
spirit was
사랑
provoked within him
주소.
when he saw that the city was
사람이
given over to
불을
idols.
켜서
Acts
말 아래 두지
17:16
않고
NKJV.
등경
The
위에
word
두나니
rendered here is provoked,
등경 위에
is
높이
paroxysmal,
둔다는
the
거잖아요.
word from which we
그럼
get
같은
our
뜻이
paroxysm.
아닐까 생각해서
The
이
Apostle
찬송
Paul was worked
골랐습니다.
up over this because idols and idolatry are always and
하나님의
everywhere
진리
an affront to the living God.
등대
Anyone who can take the proliferation of idols right in stride
빛나니
is someone who's not walking with the Spirit. Galatians 5:25.
우리들도
His stride doesn't match the Spirit's at all. How could it be a
주의
matter of great distress that Athens was filled with idols and not be a
비추세
matter of great distress that
우리
America is filling up with them?
작은
So
불을
before we have our debate over what we
켜서
should practically do about
험한
such displays, let us at
바다
least agree that their presence among us is a grief
비추세
and abomination.
물에
Battle of the
빠져
gods. In the image above, I
헤매느니
juxtaposed a picture of the Statue of Liberty,
건져내어
305 feet tall, and the Lord Hanuman, 90 feet tall, the
살리세
third largest statue of the
죄의
West. I am representing this
밤은
as a battle of the gods, and right
깊어가고
this minute, the Statue of Liberty is losing. The Statue of
성난
Liberty is losing, despite what the learned
설렌다
cousin says, because
어디
although she is taller, she is
불빛
clearly the weak
없는
God.
가고
Defenders of a proliferation of idols
찾는
will want to say that
물이
liberty is winning because she has given her blessing to it.
많구나
I say she is losing
우리
because she clearly has no idea how
작은
Planet of the Apes
불을
ended.
켜서
I should note that I'm only talking about the
험한
Statue of Liberty in her current
바다
Nehushtan phase. As originally
비추세
conceived, we should have no
물에
problem with such a welcoming presence in
빠져
New York Harbor, a glorious
헤매느니
personification of actual liberty for
건져내어
those immigrants who are seeking it. But as liberty is currently
살리세
conceived and defended by people
너의
like the learned cousin, all
등불
such conceptions of liberty are the enemy
돋우어라
of liberty.
거친
Aristotle once made the
바다
distinction between the behaviors that democracies
비춰라
like and the
빛을
behaviors that will preserve democracies.
찾아
We have a similar situation
헤매느니
here. There are the behaviors that liberty
생명선에
likes, and there are the behaviors that will preserve liberty. A
건져라
disintegrating definition of
우리
liberty will necessarily descend
작은
into
불을
anarchic
켜서
freedom. Do what you feel, whenever and
험한
however you want. This is
바다
liberty with leprosy, and it is not long
비추세
before the fingers start falling
물에
off. A corrupt conception
빠져
of freedom will devour liberty.
헤매느니
By way of contrast, the biblical understanding of
건져내어
liberty is form and freedom together, bounded liberty, liberty under law, liberty with clear definition.
기도하겠습니다.
In short, it is liberty that knows how to defend itself because it knows how to define itself. It is a servant of Christ.
꼴을 맡은
This kind of liberty, the kind we have enjoyed for centuries now, is something that rests upon the
성령님께서
bedrock of a
빌립을
Christian
인도하여
consensus.
복음을
If you don't
전하게
have that
하신
as your foundation,
그
you cannot
말씀을
have the building.
읽었습니다.
Allow me to state it another way.
그러면서
Religious liberty and
그
toleration
내시가
are Christian
가난한
values, and you cannot maintain religious
힘과
liberty and
권력을
toleration
가진
without
사람,
maintaining the Christian basis for it. You cannot
하나님을
have one without the other. This means that if you
그리스도
have a
예수의 마음을
liberty-loving
품고
republic that has historic
산다면
Christian roots, you cannot
그동안은
maintain that
자기
liberty by
개인과
bringing in boatloads of
욕심만을 위해서
people who embrace a
쓰여졌던
religious faith
모든
that is either
기회들과
hostile or indifferent
권력과
to the very
권능이
idea of liberty.
세상을 위하여
This is easy to
하나님의
knock out,
나라를 위하여
but it is not
하나님의
divisive to
백성들을
warn the
위하여
divisive man's
잘
life,
쓰임
and
받을
that
수
have
있지
nothing to do with him.
않았을까
Titus 3:10 and 11.
하는 생각을
Let the
하며
reader understand.
조심스럽게
Think about it for a
말씀을
minute.
전했습니다.
In the current come one, come
하나님,
all approach to
게으르지
immigration,
말고
has anyone thought this
열심을
thing through?
품고
In the grip of the current
세상에서도
mania for
일하고
immigration that has gripped the
직장
center left and
생활하고
leftward, whether that
공부하고
statue stays up or not
노력해서
is a simple question
하나님이
of whether
주시는
we
좋은
open the
기회들이
floodgates to
있거든
a larger number of
그것을
Muslims
자신의
than
욕망을
Hindus.
채우기 위해서
If the
쓰지 말게
Muslims flood
하시고
Texas, no more
하나님
Lord
나라를
Hanuman.
위하여 잘
Doesn't
쓸 수
anybody remember
있는
what the Taliban did
그래서
to the
세상의
ancient
복이 되는
Bamiyan Buddha
우리
statues?
날기새
Or we
식구들
could go the other
다
way.
되게
Let us
하여
import a huge number of Hindus
주시옵소서.
into Michigan and
예수
have
그리스도
ourselves
이름을
our very
받들어
own Pakistan-India border.
기도하옵나이다.
So I'm not arguing for a commando attack on the idol or a vigilante approach to it. This
제가
is
이제
a
그
job for the civil
유학생들
magistrate to figure
박사과정에
out.
있는
One of the
유학생들한테
first things to look
학교에
at would be our
코스타라고 하는
immigration
집회를
policy.
오래
This statute
다녔습니다.
did not happen because a
그
large number
우리
of native
학생들에게
Texans
제가
started
주로
seeking
많이 했던
enlightenment from
설교
the
중에
East.
하나가 오늘 이
This
내용의
happened because of a
설교입니다.
loose and reckless approach
그래서
to immigration.
너희들
A wise
박사는
immigration policy
고지를
does not
정하는
tie
하나
two cats
같잖아요.
together by the
고지를
tail and
정복해라.
then throw them over a
그런데 그
clothesline.
정복하는 목적이
Having said this much, I
너희들의
do
야망을
understand how
채우기
easy
위해서가
it is
아니라
to mock such a
하나님
statement
나라를
as
위해서
nativistic
쓴다면
jingoism.
좋지
An
않겠냐
appeal is
하는
made to the
뜻으로
inscription on
했었는데
the Statue of Liberty. Give me your
이
humble
설교가
masses,
비판을 참
saying,
많이
the
받았어요.
idea is that we can
고지론자라고.
import anybody from anywhere
공부
and
잘하는
in any
아이만
amount
좋아하고
and have the only
그
result be a
세상적인
larger array of choices when
성공만을
it comes to ethnic
가치 있는 것으로
restaurants. But
여긴다는
answer me
오해를
this. When the
받았지만
United Kingdom decided to
그렇지
import
않습니다.
massive numbers of Muslims
신기하고
into their
설명하기 참
country, was
어려웠는데
this a triumph of British liberty
오늘도
or
그래서
the
참
suicide
이
note of
설교가
British liberty?
조심스러워서
If you
여러분
decide to pour a
느끼셨죠?
large
제가
amount of white
버벅거린
sand
거
into the sugar bowl,
많이
at some point it
버벅거렸습니다.
becomes no longer a
근데
sugar bowl.
성령님께서
Somebody should have
도와주시면
anticipated this. Postscript.
제대로 제 마음의
And to
진심을
anticipate the response of the
통할 수
ethnic
있으리라
idolaters,
생각합니다.
the sugar is sweet because it is
세상에서도
Christian,
게으르지
not
말고
because it is white.
열심히 해서
I like brown sugar too.
세상 사람보다
And I must
앞서고
say I don't have much use at
높아지고
all for the bros
힘을
whose
얻어서
idea of a
그
solution
힘으로
is to fill our bowls
세상을
with Nordic
섬기고
white sand. The
사람들의
DNA
복의
of their
근원이
sand
되는
is superior, or
그런
would be
사람들
if
다
sand
되시길
had
바랍니다.
DNA. And
감사합니다.
their mortal enemies, the
여러분
left, who are trying to make us all
사랑합니다.
use brown sand. I can't say that I have any use for either of these views. All they know how to do is wreck the oatmeal. Samuel Johnson once observed that we more often need to be reminded than we need to be instructed. Instructing someone on what he already knows is an irritation. Reminding someone of what we all confess is a needed reminder is a blessing. We need to consider a passage which is familiar for many reasons. The Lord Jesus quotes it when he tells us what the greatest commandment in all Scripture is, Luke 10:27. This passage contains the great Shema, recited by the Jews constantly. Hear, O Israel, the Lord our God is one Lord. This is the passage that led many of us to undertake the high calling of Christian education for our children, when you walk along the road, when you are sitting in your house. But there's another jewel here for us. Quote, Then beware lest thou forget the Lord, which brought thee forth out of the land of Egypt from the house of bondage. Deuteronomy 6:4-13. Beware lest thou forget. Hear, O Israel, the Yahweh our Elohim is one Yahweh, verse 4. In paraphrase, we might say that Jehovah, our gods, is one Jehovah. And you shall love the Yahweh, your Elohim, with everything you've got, verse 5. These words that Moses is delivering shall reside in your heart, verse 6. As a result, they must also be in your mouth as you teach your children in every setting, verse 7. Tie them onto your hand, bind them to your forehead, verse 8. These two locations indicate behavior and thought. Be careful, little hand, what you do. Be careful, little head, what you think. Write them down on your doorposts and gates, verse 9. Then, when God gives you an abundance of his goodness, verses 10 and 11, you must watch out lest you forget the Lord, who brought you out of the house of slavery, verse 12. You shall fear the Lord and serve the Lord and take your oaths in his name, verse 13. We love by remembering. There are a number of verbs in the imperative in this passage: hear, love, teach, talk, bind, write, fear, serve, and swear. But we should be able to see that they all come together in this one verb, remember. Do not forget, verse 12. We know from the New Testament that the highest form our obedience takes is in submission to the great command to love. But what do you do exactly when you love? Should you grit your teeth and radiate love rays? No, we love by remembering. Remembering grace is not a work. With a doctrine like this one of the first things we might forget is that God loved us first. If we love because he first loved us, 1 John 4:19, then we remember him because he first remembered us. This means that God remembers us, and it is only because he remembers us that we can remember him. There are numerous examples of God's remembrance, so let's just point to a few. God remembered Noah, Genesis 8:1. God remembered Rachel, Genesis 30:22. God remembered his covenant with Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, Exodus 2:24. God remembered the house of Israel, Psalm 98:3. What is all this but to say that God loved his people? So remember then, salvation is by grace through faith, from first to last. How then should we love? When forgetfulness begins, love is then in decline. Do not forget all the Lord's benefits, Psalm 103, verse 2. The Israelites did evil when they forgot, Judges 3:7. Paul loved the poor by remembering them, Galatians 2:10. The blood of Jesus is the only possible covering for our sin. A cloak of forgetfulness can't cover sin because forgetfulness is one of the greatest of sins. Never hide your dirty sins under a pile of bigger dirty sins. Never hide your crud under worse crud. Not smart. Walk backwards into the future. Samuel Johnson once observed that we more often need to be reminded than we need to be instructed. Instructing someone on what he already knows is an irritation. Reminding someone of what we all confess is a needed reminder is a blessing. Quote, therefore I intend always to remind you of these qualities, though you know them and are established in the truth that you have. I think it right, as long as I am in this body, to stir you up by way of reminder. This is now the second letter that I'm writing to you, beloved. In both of them, I'm stirring up your sincere mind by way of reminder that you should remember the predictions of the holy prophets and the commandment of the Lord and Savior through your apostles. 2 Peter 1:12 and 13, 3:1 and 2. What are we to remember? We have a Bible full of things to remember, not to mention a creation full of them, but let us set our loves in order.
안녕하세요.
We are to remember the law of God. We have this in our text. God delivered us from the house of slavery, and his law is our life. Love is defined by the law, Romans 13:8. Of course, if we've forgotten God and his word, that same law condemns us and drives us to Christ. We are to remember the salvation of God. We see this through the Passover in the Old Testament, Exodus 12:14, and the Lord's Supper in the New, 1 Corinthians 11:24-26. We are to eat this bread and drink this cup as a remembrance and amnesis. We are to remember the process of sanctification throughout the course of our pilgrimage through this world. We have a duty in perseverance, and perseverance in any kind of long haul is that which enables you to remember when the thought comes into your head. Why am I doing this again? The greatest threat. Returning to the text we started with, what is the great eraser? We have written all the goodness of God up on the board to remind ourselves, up in front of the class. We have memorialized his great kindnesses to us. What is most frequently used to wipe it all away? What makes us forget the goodness of God? The answer is the goodness of God. He gives us wealth, Deuteronomy 6:10-12, and our minds instantly start to wander. He gives us a good land, Deuteronomy 8:7-18, and we take all the credit for ourselves, Deuteronomy 8:18, as though we arranged it all for ourselves. Forgetfulness can seem pleasant enough at the time, but it is actually the lip of the abyss. The wicked shall be turned into hell, and all the nations that forget God. Psalm 9:17.
그랬더니 하나님 그 기도를 받아주시고 또 이름을 바꿔주셨어요. 다시는 야곱이라 하지 말고 이스라엘이라고 해라. 이스라엘은 하나님과 겨루어 이겼다라는 그런 어마어마한 일이지 않습니까? 여러분, 근데 저는 이 말씀을 읽으면서 생각을 했어요. 야곱이 왜 지금 이렇게 지금 생명을 건 기도를 하는가 하면 에서가 지금 나오고 있거든요. 고향으로 돌아가는데. 근데 정보에 의하니까 군대 400명을 끌고 온다는 거예요. 그러니까 야곱은 자기 죄가 있으니까 형이 나를 아직도 용서 못하고 나를 죽이려고 하는 거구나. 이제 라반의 집으로 돌아갈 수도 없고 이제는 뭐 가는 수밖에 없는데 형이 예상한데 죽게 되니까 기도하는 거죠. 처음부터 기도하지는 않았어요. 야곱은 머리 좋은 사람이니까 꽤부터 그렇지. 쉽게 말하면 뇌물이죠. 선물인데 어마어마한 양, 낙타, 염소 것 없이 소할 것 없이 어마어마한 양의 선물을 보냅니다. 예수의 마음을 풀려. 그런데 그 돈으로 해결되는 게 아닙니다. 그럼 불안의 문제를 돈으로 해결할 수 있다면 부자들은 늘 평안하겠네요. 돈의 문제를 푸니까. 그리고 그것도 안 되니까 그 다음 차선책으로 자기 떼를 세 떼로 나눕니다. 자기 맨 뒤에 섰습니다. 맨 앞에 떼를 공격할 때 도망가요. 그러니까 첫 번째는 돈으로 해결하려고 했고요. 두 번째는 머리, 작전, 전술, 전략으로 하려고 하는데 불안의 문제는 머리를 해결해야 됩니다. 여전히 불안하니까 다 포기하고 하나님과 홀로 남았어요. 하나님 살려주세요. 에서의 손에서 건져주세요라고 했던 그 기도입니다. 그런데 이 성경 전체를 보면 그때 에서가요 그 야곱을 맞으러 나올 때 에서의 마음은 이미 다 풀려 있었어요. 20년이 벅친한 일이니까 그래서 반가워서 나오는 건데 그냥 야곱이 도둑질발절이어서 괜히 그런 거죠. 여러분 그때 약복강에서 야곱이 기도하지 않았어도 에서의 손에 죽지 않았습니다. 제 판단은 그렇습니다. 그러니까 저는요 꼭 기도해서만 산 게 아니라고 생각해요. 기도 안 했어도 야곱 죽지 않았어요. 여러분 하나님 우리에게 기도하라고 요구하시지만 여러분 이제껏 다 기도해서만 살았죠. 기도하지 않은 것은 얻은 것이 없죠. 솔직히 얘기하면 기도하지 않았는데도 하나님이 주신 것들이 더 많지 않을까요? 하나님은 기도하지 않으셔도 우리에게 꼭 필요한 건 주십니다. 그러면 여러분 기도하고 기도 안 하는 게 무슨 차이가 있을까요? 여러분 기도하지 않아도 하나님이 구해주신다라고 하는 증거가 있습니다. 성경에 있습니다. 여러분 이스라엘 백성들이 출애굽해서 애굽을 나왔을 때 홍해가 갈아먹지 않았습니다. 그때 이스라엘 백성들이 기도했죠. 기도해서 홍해가 갈라졌죠. 기도해서 건너고 애국 군대들은 수장됐죠. 아니요. 기도한 건 모세 하나밖에 없습니다. 그러면 모세만 살아야 되지 않습니까? 그런데 원망하고 불평하고 모세 원망하고 하나님 원망하고 그랬는데도 홍해는 갈라졌고 이스라엘은 구원을 받았습니다. 그러니까 제가 지금 무슨 어거지를 부리는가 하면요. 기도 안 해도 괜찮다. 기도 안 해도 삽니다. 하나님은 그런 분이십니다. 그러면 왜 이렇게 허리뼈가 꺾어지도록 기도할 필요가 뭐냐. 그냥 살면 되고 하지 않아도 될까. 그런데 여러분 굉장히 중요한 차이가 있습니다. 생명의 건짐을 받았다고 해도 기도해서 건짐을 받은 것과 기도하지 않고 받은 것은 품질이 다릅니다. 이스라엘 백성들 그냥 하나님께 기도하지 않았는데도 홍해를 건넜습니다. 처음에는 난리 났습니다. 하나님 찬양하고 감사하고 하나님의 은혜를 평생 잊지 않을 것처럼 그랬는데요. 이 값싼 기도하지 않고 얻은 값싼 공짜로 얻은 하나님 앞에 간절히 매달려 기도하지 않고 얻은 은혜가 며칠 못 갔습니다. 조금가다 마라에서 쓴물이 나오니까 금방 홍해 건넌 거 다 잊어버리고요. 하나님도 원망하지 않습니다. 기도하고 얻은 것과 기도하지 않은 것이 모양은 비슷한데 내용은 다릅니다. 야곱이 그렇게 죽을 힘을 다해서 하나님과 씨름하고 또 하나님 것 때문에 만나고 하나님으로부터 네가 이겼다, 네가 이겼다 하는 얘기를 들었고 그 다음에 에서를 만나고 에서 부둥켜 안고 울고 에서가 다 용서하고 평화하고 그랬을 때
We can also
얼마나
see the
이쁜지
uneven
모르는데
nature of love in the
그때
instructions
그래서
that Paul
하나님께
gives
단을
slave
쌓고
owners in
하나님
Colossians. Notice that this
찬양하는데
teaching is
그
given in the
은혜가
context of a master-slave relationship. This is what Paul says. Masters, give
여러분
unto your
그래서
servants that which is just
그냥
and
하나님의
equal,
은혜를
knowing that ye
얻으려고
also
하지
have a
말고
master in heaven.
뭐 하나 작은 것 하나라도
Masters, give
하나님
your
앞에
slaves
간구하고
something. What should they
기도하고
give to their slaves?
그래서
That
얻어내는
which is
그런
just
사람들
and
되실
equal.
수 있기를
In short, Paul has no trouble seeing Christians function within a hierarchical society in
아이들이
a
가끔
godly
저한테
and
기도 부탁을
equitable
할
way.
때가 있어요.
These slaves were not at the head of the line, but they were
자식이
in the
아비에게
line,
기도
and they
부탁할
needed
때
to be treated
아이들이
as though they
정말
were.
감사합니다.
Nothing is more apparent than the fact that the universal love
아버지
required of
기도해
Christians is not
큰
a level.
아이가
Having established
유학을
this, there are a
준비할
few
때
other things to
유학
sort
준비를 다
out.
마치고
Relative hatred.
이제 학교에다가
As we discuss
이제
this, we have to
보내고
budget for
이제
the fact that human
허락받고
language
하는
can be
과정이
squirrely at
있는데
times. For example, the Bible tells husbands that they must love their wives as Christ
기도해달라고
loved the church
줬어요.
and gave himself
아버지
for her.
어느
Ephesians
대학에
5:25.
원서를 넣었어요.
But this same Bible
신청했어요.
also tells men that they must
근데
hate their
정말 가고
wives.
싶은 대학은
Luke
여기
14:26.
여기예요.
Jesus
하고
plainly says that if a man does
기도해달라고
not hate
그러고
his wife,
그리고
father, mother, and
자기가
so on,
미리
he
서원했어요.
cannot
제가
be a
서원 기도
disciple.
얘기했잖아요.
So
우리 아이들 그래요.
yikes. The solution to this
하나님께
problem
좋은
is
학교
found in the
보내주시고
parallel
가면
passage in
평생 그
Matthew.
일을 하나님의
There
일인 줄 알고
Jesus says that whoever
세상과
loves
하나님
father or mother
섬기겠습니다.
more
막
than
그런
Christ
고백들을
cannot be a
써서
disciple.
저한테
Matthew
줬어요.
10:37. Putting Matthew and
제가
Luke
그거
together,
가지고
we see that Christ
A4
requires
용지로
that
한
absolute
석장
allegiance
반
be given to him,
정도 되는
one that
기도문을
puts all
만들었어요.
other loyalties and loves into
그리고
the shade.
그
This love
기도문을
for
가지고
Christ, placed alongside a man's love for family,
읽고
needs to make his love
쪼가리
for his
시간이
family
남아도
pale in
읽고
comparison.
또
If we
새벽에
compare them by
일어나서도
means of
읽고
hyperbole,
자기 전에도
the
읽고
comparison makes a man's
아이에게
earthly
약속했어요.
love
아버지가
look like
100번
hatred.
기도해
While we
줄게요.
are on the point, I should make the point that this does not result in anybody
기도했습니다.
getting ripped off. A man who loves his wife more than he does Christ is doing so from his own limited resources,
우리 아이
and his
실력으로
love is going to be paltry and
아슬아슬하고
limited.
조금
She will
엄두를
be
낼 수 없는
shortchanged as a result.
학교에
A man who loves Christ more than his wife
그래서 거기서
is in
석사를 더
fellowship with the source of all love, and his love for
석사를
his
잘
wife is
마치고
going to be
박사
far more
지원할
genuine
때
than it ever could be if
그때
she were to remain an
금융
idol.
위기가
In short, he's
왔었어요.
going to love her far better
대학이
if she's
재정
number
위기를
two
겪으니까
than he would be able
박사
to if she were
과정을
number
장학금
one.
주고 못
In
뽑더라고요.
other words, when Christ
여러 번
requires this
신청을
of us,
하니까
he is requiring
내가
us
학비
to be in
내고
fellowship with
와서
ultimate
하면
love. He is
받아주마.
requiring us to
근데
be in
너한테 줄
step with the only
장학금은
possible
충분히
way of
없다.
integrating all
그래서
of
다
our loves. If
거절당했어요.
we refuse this demand, we are
우리
actually
아이가
opting for the
그때 또 기도
disintegration of
부탁하면서
all of our other
그러더라고요.
loves. If
아버지
you doubt what I say, look around at the world you are living in.
가고 싶지
Yet
않은
again,
대학에 오지
is
말래.
Christ or chaos?
그래서 다
And so, of
떨어졌어요.
course, our love must be uneven.
딱 한
You should
군데가
also be
됐어요.
ready at the drop of a hat to help
그거는
with the guy beat up by the side of the road,
엄두 내지
even though you
못할
do
때
not know his name.
자기 실력.
He is in the
근데 거기서
lineup as you have
받아줬어요.
opportunity. This is actually how we know that your love back
저도
home
그
is genuine
레터를
and not
봤는데요.
something you
이렇게
punched
써
in on
있었어요.
cruise control.
우리
Worrying about
대학에서
other people
이거보다
sinning
더
is
좋은
not a good
조건의
reason for sinning.
장학금은 없습니다.
Christ requires us to love him above all.
예, 그
And as
장학금
we
받고
examine his word
박사
to
잘
us,
마치고
we see that we are to start loving
지금
as he
대학교
would have us
교수가
love
됐어요.
in our immediate
우리 아이는
proximity.
압니다.
We must learn to love within the
하나님의
radius of
기도해서
our
얻을까.
reach.
물론
We
우리
are
아이
to love the
공부
people
열심히
we
했어요.
know more than the people
그러나
we don't know.
하나님의
And this is
기도했을
an
때
inescapable
그것이
concept,
하나님의
not
은혜인
whether
줄
but
알아요.
which.
내가
If we
공부 열심히
refuse
해서
to obey
됐지
him at this point,
그런
then
생각을
we
안
are
하게
going to
된 게
wind up
얼마나
loving the
감사해요.
people we don't know more than
하나님
the
앞에
people we
매달려
know.
기도하면
And that, when
하나님
translated,
주신
means that
은혜가
we don't actually
보통
love anybody.
열을
But when we
받는다는 그
disobey
자체가
God's clear
100으로
commandments,
1000으로
we always
더
seem to be able to
상승하는
come up
효과가
with excuses and reasons. In this case, more than a few people are very worried
여러분
about what might
기도하는
happen
자에게
when people are taught how
하나님이
to
길을
cultivate
열어주시는
their
게
particular loves and
공평한
loyalties. You
일입니다.
guessed it, the boogeyman here is
하나님은
white
얘기하실 때
supremacy. In this
공평하신
polarized
하나님
climate, the problem with
아니십니까?
arguing, as I've been
하나님은
arguing
공평하십니다.
above, is that some
그래서
responsible
믿는
types are
자에게도
afraid of where
햇빛이
some unstable
안
swords
믿는
might
자
take it.
집에도
If we
햇빛이
agree
비치죠.
that we have a certain responsibility to love some people
믿는
more
사람 집에도
and other
비가
people
오고요.
less,
안
the
믿는 사람
expressed
집에도
concern is that
비가
somebody
와요.
is going to come along pretty
그게
soon and turn
공평하신
it into an excuse
하나님의
for
처사라고
malice. If I should
생각해요.
love some people more, then this
그런데
means that I should
모든 게 다
actually learn how to hate
공평하다면
the other people.
그런 식으로만
This is actually a
이루어진다면
very old trick,
하나님 믿을
and some
필요가
people
뭐가
really
있어?
do
안
go
믿어도
that
뭐 다
way. This does
비춘다면
happen. Scripture said to love your neighbor, and
안
the
믿는
carnal
집에도
heart of
햇빛
man cooked up
비춘다면
an interesting
그렇죠.
second half of the
그럼 뭐라
sentence.
하나님을
Love your
믿어?
neighbor, and here it
왜?
comes, hate your
하나님의
enemy.
축복이라는 건
Ye have heard
그런
that it
거야.
hath been said,
그러니까
thou shalt
모든
love
것이
thy neighbor
보편적으로
and hate thine
된다면
enemy.
하나님의
But I say
축복이라는
unto you,
개념이
love your
없어지잖아.
enemies, bless them that
근데
curse you, do
그렇지
good
않아.
to them that hate you,
하나님의
and pray for them
축복의
which
길이
despitefully
특별히
use you
예비돼
and
있어.
persecute you.
그런데
Matthew
그것도
5,
축복도
43,
하나님은
34.
공평하셔야 되잖아요. 그런데 하나님의 특별하신 보편적인 일이 일어나는 중에서도 특별히 뽑아놓은 축복의 길을 예비하셨는데 그 축복의 길을 받는 것도 공평하게 만드셨다. 그 공평이 뭔지 아세요?
and does not
이거는
keep other people
기도하는
from actually
사람에게
doing it.
축복이거예요.
And so the fastidious people and the
보편적인
venomous people
축복은
link
누구나
arms
다
to
받을
wander
수
off
있어요.
into the void
근데
together.
거기서
The latter would
특별한
rather
하나님의
hate than
은혜와
learn how to love
축복은
properly, and
하나님이
the former
기도하는
would
자를
rather
위하여
avoid hating than to
따로
learn how to
예비해
love properly.
두셨어요.
The scripture addresses
그러므로
both of
하나님
them
앞에
and rather
기도하면
bluntly.
보편적으로
He that
받는
hateth
복,
his brother
이상의
is in
복을
darkness and
우리가
walketh in
쟁취할 수
darkness,
있어요.
and knoweth not whither he
천국을
goeth, because
침노하는
that
것이지.
darkness hath blinded his
구하라,
eyes. 1
찾으라,
John 2:11.
두드리라.
If a man say, I
그렇게
love
하면
God and
하나님
hateth his
반드시
brother, he is a
좋은
liar.
것으로
For he that
주실
loveth not
줄
his brother
믿습니다.
whom he hath seen, how can he love
그리고요,
God whom he hath not
하나님은
seen?
우리가 기도하는
1
걸
John
참
4:20. The
좋아하셔요.
progressive refuses to
달라고
love
그러는
the
걸
sin,
참
which
좋아하셔요.
bleeds over into
구하는
hating
걸
the sin.
좋아하셔요.
And the malicious
간절히
one
달라고
refuses to
구할
stop
때
hating the
하나님이
unseen,
주시는 걸
which
너무너무
bleeds over
기뻐하셔요.
into hating the seen. Both of them
저희가
together
같이
are
있는데요.
refusing the way,
저희는 좀
and they
가난했는데
deserve
우리가
each
같이
other.
참
We can hear
부자였어요.
them quarreling as they disappear into the fog.
근데 그
And now
부잣집이
I
우리
beseech
가난한
thee
우리 집을
lately,
참
not as
많이
though I wrote a
아껴줘서
new commandment,
얼마나 참 큰
but
도움을
that which we
받았는지.
had from the beginning, that we love one
큰형님이
another.
큰형님도
2
부자죠.
John. It is also
형님이
worth mentioning
부자인데
that I don't accept the common
거기
metric that
이제
locates Nazis on the
큰딸 하나,
right. They
아들
were
둘 이렇게
nationalistic
있었는데
socialists
다
who
50다
were
되고
teamed up with Stalin
이제
for the
뭐
first part of the war.
사이 보고
We should want nothing
면을 보고
whatever
할
to do with them,
나이들이 됐는데
meaning that I'm
우리
not trying to
큰
break up the
조카애가
coalition.
이제 대학교
I
다닐
want to
때
deny them entrance into
집에
the
있었는데
coalition.
우리 형이 그 딸에게 섭섭한 말을 하더니 이건 머리카락을 탁 주라고 해서 아버지 할 점이 하나도 없어. 그리고 형 왜 그래? 그랬더니
Dear Gavin,
얘는 나한테
thanks for the
용돈을 달라는
nudge.
적이
We
없어.
apparently got distracted from our task.
정해진 용돈 주면
Your letter
그것은
reminded
끝이야.
me that we still
그리고
have
얼마나 아껴
considerable
쓰는지
ground to get
늘
to.
남아.
So we already
나한테
covered how it is
모자라서
okay
돈
to
좀
be white.
더 달라고 침대는
Radical, I
것도
know.
없고 옷
People who
사달라고
are
그런
white
것도
should be
없어.
grateful to God for it,
아버지
but
노릇
not
할 점이
proud.
하나도
And people who
없다.
are black should be
그래서
grateful for that.
우리
And
조카
also
머리통
not proud.
장난을 이렇게 줘봐보세요.
Thanksgiving and
무슨
conceitedness are
계집애가
two
그러냐?
very different things.
아버지한테 좀 애교도
But someone
부르고
is going to
매달려서 이래
object
달라고
and
그러고
say
저거
that in a
달라고 그래야지.
Eurocentric culture, such as ours has been for some
그랬더니
centuries
그때 하나님
now,
그러시더니
the white guy
예수님
has
너도
a lot more to be
마찬가지다.
grateful for than does the black
제가
guy.
이제 어른
He
목사님
has
제세를
all that
왔을 때
quote-unquote white
목사님 새해 복
privilege.
많이
But
받으세요.
this objection
그랬더니
is only an
목사님도
objection
우리
to
김 목사도 새해 복
egalitarianism as
많이
true,
받으세요.
which it isn't.
그러시는데
Another name
그
for
말을 듣고
privileges is
일어나면서 제가
blessings,
속으로
and those
그랬어요.
who have had more
무슨 덕을
blessings should be
더 받아.
all the more grateful. That,
하나님
and they should be
저는
generous and
충분해요.
eager to share.
저 복 안
1
주셔도
Timothy
다른
6,
사람 주세요.
17 through
제가 그렇게
19.
근사한
But this
건
need
줄
to be
알았어요.
grateful for your
그
whiteness does
생각이 문득
create a
나더라고요.
dilemma.
나도
Let us say that
섭섭했다.
you come to this
너 같으면
settled
내가
condition
하나님
in
노릇 할
your
점이
soul.
있겠냐?
It is
자꾸
okay to be
매달리고
white.
칭얼거려야지.
You breathe deeply and are
그래야 내가
satisfied.
하나님인 줄 알고
But if any
좋지
of the
않냐?
progressives of your
그래서
acquaintance get wind of
그때부터는요
this new demeanor of
기도하기
yours,
시작했어요.
you will
제가
almost certainly
일용할
find yourself
양식을
assailed
위해서까지
and
듣게
upbraided as
됐어요.
a
그거 기도 안
racist pig.
했거든요.
In fact, you can
어디 가서
also be
내가 밥
assailed
새끼
on those same
먹으랴.
charges
이거
simply
건방진
for being
생각이었어요.
white.
근데
And if you
하나님이
compound your
얼굴
guilt by
돌리시면 못
refusing
먹지
to
제가 없을
acknowledge
수가
any
있어요.
guilt, the
그래서
accusations will
시시콜콜한
automatically ramp up
뭐
to the next
큰일
level.
소명 뭐
You are
하나님 나라
compounding the
그때
sin by
기도하지만
refusing to
작은
acknowledge
것
any sin
하나
in it
나도
whatever.
하나님
But
앞에
if we've done our
기도하고
work
사는 거
thoroughly,
훈련하게
that won't
되었어요.
bother you at all.
여러분
Every
기도 안
Christian should
해도
be comfortable in their own skin, regardless of
하나님
what color
혼을
it is.
건너주시고요.
Individual
하나님
behaviors can
햇빛도
change,
주시고요.
and under the
하나님
influence of the
빛
gospel,
내려주시고
cultures can mature and grow over time.
기도 안 한다고
As
우리
Paul
죽지
exhorted
않아요.
Titus regarding the
그렇지만
Cretans, Titus 1,
기도하면
12 and 13. But the
은혜가
blueprints of your DNA,
그리고
blue
하나님께
eyes,
더 간절히
XY,
매달리게
white
되고
skin, blonde
하나님이
hair,
예비하신
are both a gift and
특별한
an
축복의
assignment from
기회를
God.
공평하게
Obey your
기도하면
chromosomes.
얻고
Actually,
기도하면
thank God for your
하나님
chromosomes,
정하신
and then
일이니까.
obey them. Embrace
그래서
them.
그런
Walk
승리하는
with them.
삶
They are to be your
되는 줄
lifetime friends. However,
그런
this will
날마다
create a
기막힌
new challenge for
새벽에
you, and
나와서
that is our
하는 분들
topic for this
여러분
go-around.
말씀만 듣지
You will at
마시고
some point find yourself in company with other white
시시콜콜
people
하나님 앞에
who are also being harangued as racist
기도하고
pigs, but their
하나님
attitudes,
반대뼈가
demeanor,
아니라
and arguments seem to be
목소리를
strikingly
부러뜨리고
different from
난
yours.
하나님
The
절대
left
놓지
lumps you all
못한다.
together,
하고
and a
하나님
number
앞에
of these people
씨름해서
would lump themselves
여러분들도
together with
다
you as well.
이스라엘
They want
하실 수
solidarity
있기를
on the basis
축원합니다.
of color alone, regardless of what
오늘
faith or
찬송가
worldview undergirds the
그저께
understanding of
불렀던
that color.
찬송인데요.
You are grateful to God for
내
your
기도하는
heritage
그
because
시간,
it is the
그때가
one that
가장
God
귀하다.
gave to you.
그 찬송
When
다시
someone
한번
gives you a
부르면
birthday present, you say
364장.
thank you, and you say
내
thank you for the
기도하는
gift that you
시간
were actually given.
364장.
You are grateful for it. But suppose you're watching someone else receive a birthday present, but instead of saying thank you, he went and said something like, "This vindicates my claim to be the heir of the throne of Mundanar and suzerain of all the waterways to the west. I am of the true seed proceed royal, and I will receive your embassies and tributes now. You were both given something, but you think you got a necktie for which you are grateful. He also got a necktie, but he has discerned in it the blue and yellow stripes of an ancient heraldry that he just made up, and so starts making his grandiose claims. In short, you were dealing with a weirdo. But wait, let us compound the problem. Suppose the world is being run by a different brand of weirdo, the leftist weirdos, the makers and manufacturers of clown world. These are the weirdos in charge. These are the people who say that anybody who owns a necktie must think they are better than everybody else. They have spent the last half-century attacking all wearers of neckties as colonizers, misogynists, racists, white supremacists, miscreants, and so on. Now, this other fellow with the necktie has apparently decided that if they're going to hang you for a thief, you might as well steal something. And so he is doing his level best to fulfill all the caricatures that they've been throwing about so recklessly. Instead of rejecting the slander and caricature, he embraces it. The question this creates for you has to do with how close you should stand to that guy. You are being accused of doing the same thing, but from all appearances, the charges are slander in your case and look to be fairly accurate in his. Now what? You will be attacked regardless, for do you not own a necktie? But the accusations are false. Do you have any responsibility to try to help out the delusional guy, or to stand by him, even if you don't share in his confusion at all? The mere fact that you feel sorry for him, perhaps understanding how he got there, is another strike against you. And sometimes the association is inescapable. He turns out to be your younger brother, for example. But enough of the necktie metaphor. You don't want these things to get away from you. A real resistance to the hegemonic secular project has been starting to form. That resistance is still inchoate, but it is real. There are some genuine encouraging signs. People are starting to wake up to look, and it is truly heartening to see. But remember, in the meantime, over the last half-century, what has the playbook of the left been? Anybody to the right of Mitt Romney or John McCain has been called a Nazi racist, fascist pig, and a misogynistic cave dweller. And even those two room-temperature tapioca rhinos, as soon as they got the Republican nomination, became a Hitlerian threat to the left. Now, just the moment when the absurdity of all this slander had gotten to peak levels, and all the normies were scratching their heads and asking, is it really racist to mow your lawn? We discovered that old Slewfoot, let us call him, had arranged for a bunch of people on the right to pop up and start saying a bunch of genuinely rancid and malevolent things about Jews, about blacks, about women, and we are all summoned to listen to these tirades. For are these not the sayings of the king of Mundar and his friends? So at just the point when the Assanenity was going to be exposed to all, some low-rent intellectuals popped up in order to try to demonstrate to the world that the slander was not slander at all. Now these people are either malicious or midwits or both, or they are FBI bots. Just within the last year, various Hitler's Christian Prince memes have started to circulate widely. I even saw a video that wanted to lionize the 1936 Berlin Games as a cheeky exercise of white boys having their summer fun. And you may have seen the online ruckus that happened after I said that the maker of that video was presumably a Fed. Some folks admonished me for slandering the poor fellow like that, but it was a joke, not a slander. But even as a joke, it had a sharp edge. If that guy actually were a Fed, he wouldn't be doing anything differently at all. He wouldn't be behaving any differently. And he would also be due a raise and a promotion, for he is doing a fine job. His assignment would have been to make all activists on the right look like they were either morons or malevolent, and to make any responsible conservative leaders look like they were willing to harbor morons or the malevolent.
기도의 제목으로
Let us
꼭
take a
기도하는
lesson
우리
from the Ray
사랑하는
Epps
우리
episode.
친구들 축복하여 주시옵소서. 기도하지 않아도 비 옵니다. 기도하지 않아도 햇빛 비칩니다. 기도하지 않았는데도 이스라엘 백성 땅을 건넜습니다. 또 기도하지 않으면 값싼 은혜가 되어 며칠 가지 못했습니다. 또 하나님 원망하고 의심하고 믿지 못합니다. 야곱 기도 안 했어도 아마 예상대 죽지 않았을 겁니다. 그런데 한도 뼈가 부러져도 놓지 않는 일 때문에 더 귀중한 은혜를 얻었습니다. 하나님 가까이 할 줄 알고 하나님 기도하여 이스라엘이라는 이름도 우리도 야곱처럼 하나님 앞에 한도뼈가 부러져도 하나님 놓지 않는 근성, 끈기, 믿음, 기도 허락해 주셔서 우리도 이스마엘 되게 하여 이스라엘 되게 하여 주시옵소서. 예수 그리스도 이름을 받들어 기도하옵나이다. 아멘. 감사합니다. 오늘도 좋은 말씀 주신 하나님께 감사드리고 영광을 돌립니다. 복된 하루 되시기를 바라고 승리하는 하루 되시기를 바랍니다. 여러분 사랑합니다.
Ecclesiastes 10:1, NKJV. Their folly has the capacity to be far more destructive in your life than any judicious cautions from you have power to influence them for good. At this point, someone is going to ask you about Netter, the no enemies to the right doctrine. Isn't there some wisdom in that? Yes, there is, but always be cautious. First, if God has enemies on the right, and he most certainly does, then I should also. There are God haters over here with us, and that bile and hatred will come out at some point. You don't want to be standing next to it when it happens. So then what is the element of truth in Netter? You must not have enemies to the right simply because the left demands that you denounce somebody who said or did racist X, sexist Y, and problematic Z. Lies are the stock and trade of the left, and they have successfully gotten many conservatives to flinch instinctively and to counter-signal and punch right simply on their say-so. But their say-so is notoriously unreliable. Don't ever obey them. So I didn't attack that video because the left wanted me to. I attacked it because Christ wanted me to. And that was because it was either made by an oaf, an orc, or an operative. It is also worth mentioning that I don't accept the common metric that locates Nazis on the right. They were nationalistic socialists who were teamed up with Stalin for the first part of the war. We should want nothing whatever to do with them, meaning that I'm not trying to break up the coalition here. I want to deny them entrance into the coalition. One last thing. The most charitable evaluation from the options I listed above would be oaf. But let's make it even more charitable still. Remember that we live in oafish times, and that a lot of the alt-right has been shaped by the world of gaming, Instagram, Twitter, memes, and cosplay. A lot of these guys could be brought to their senses in a healthy community where people are living actual lives out in the real world. There they would be able to learn that there's far more to masculinity than picking a crusader with laser eyes for an avatar. And remember, this digital world does have one ameliorating quality. They are not actually hating real Jews. Their enmity is reserved for the Jew game pieces in their Dungeons and Dragons setup.
사망의 땅과 그늘에 앉은 자들에게 빛이 비추었도다 하였느니라. 이때부터 예수께서 비로소 전파하여 이르시되 회개하라 천국이 가까웠느니라 하시더라. 아멘. 여러분 제가 엉뚱한 질문할 테니까 한번 속으로라도 대답해 보세요. 여러분 예수 믿으세요? 좀 당돌하죠, 또 황당하죠. 그런데 여러분, 이건 굉장히 중요한 질문이에요. 여러분 예수를 믿으세요? 또 그러면 왜 믿으세요? 이거 굉장히 중요한 질문이거든요, 여러분. 내가 왜 예수를 믿는가에 대한 것이 분명하지 않으면 예수를 제대로 바로 믿기가 참 어렵게 되거든요. 예수님의 제자들이 3년이나 예수님을 따라다녔지만 예수를 따라다니는 목적이 잘못됐었어요. 처음에는 예수님이 메시아인 건 알았어요. 왕이 되는 줄 알았어요. 진짜로. 그렇게 되면 자기들이 한 자리 할 거다 하는 엉뚱한 목표를 가지고 사니까 3년을 예수님을 따라다녔어도 진정한 예수님의 제자의 자리에는 이르지 못하게 되지 않았습니까? 이유와 목적이 정확지 않으면 예수를 믿는 신앙이 반듯해지고 달라지기가 참 어렵습니다. 왜 예수를 믿을까? 예전 우리 옛날 어른들, 믿음의 어른들, 우리 어머니, 우리 할머니, 할아버지들 그 세대 때 이 질문을 했다면 뭐 조금 더 여지없이 정답이 나옵니다. 천당갈요. 예전에 우리 할머니, 할아버지들은 목적이 분명했습니다. 예수를 믿어야 천당 가. 그래서 그 평양의 최봉성 목사님 같은 분은 그냥 전도하는 말이 간단했지 않습니까? 예수 천당. 불신지요. 이제 그랬지 않습니까? 예수를 믿는 목적이 천당이었습니다. 여러분 천당은 하늘나라고요. 그것을 오늘 성경은 천국이라고 번역을 했는데 신학적으로 조금 편협한 말이 돼서 정확한 얘기를 쓰면 하나님 나라라고 하는 것이 옳습니다. 하나님 나라. 하나님 나라는 하늘에만 있는 것이 아니고 땅에도 있고 내세 죽음 위에만 있는 게 아니라 지금부터 하나님의 나라가 이루어지는 거기 때문에 우리는 천당, 천국 그게 아니라 하나님 나라입니다. 예수를 믿는 목적은요. 하나님 나라에 들어가기 위함이고 하나님 나라의 삶을 살기 위함입니다. 근데 요즘 우리들은 그걸 잊어버렸어요. 옛날에 우리 할머니 할아버지들은 하나님의 나라를 바라보고 예수를 믿었는데 점점 그 포커스가 세상으로 내려왔어요. 땅에서 부자 되고 땅에서 건강하고 땅에서 형통하고 이러다가 기복적인 신앙으로까지 흐르면이 없지 않아 많죠. 물론 기독교가 땅을 부정하지 않죠. 땅에서 뭐 잘 되는 거 뭐가 잘못됐습니까? 뭐 땅에서 부자 되면 뭐 나쁠 건 뭐가 있겠습니까? 그러나 예수를 믿는 궁극적인 목적이 거기에 있는 건 아니지 않습니까? 하나님 나라를 잃어버린다면 땅에서 아무리 잘 된다면 뭐 하겠습니까? 여러분 하나님 나라를 우리가 소유하고 산다면 세상에서 조금 힘들고 어려운들 그게 무슨 그렇게 큰 대수이겠습니까? 예수님이 우리에게 주기도문을 가르쳐 주셨죠. 그 주기도문은 완벽한 기도예요. 그런데 저는 그 예수님의 주기도문 중에서 참 마음에 쾅 와닿는 기도가 있어요. 나라의 임하옵시며 하나님의 나라가 임하게 해달라고 기도해요. 이게 예수님의 스케일의 기도입니다. 일용할 양식도 나중에 다 나오고 그러는데요. 그런 것들이 쓸데없는 거 아니에요. 다 구하고 살아야죠. 그런데 하나님의 나라의 임재, 나라의 임하옵시며 하나님의 나라를 간구해라 라고 하는 거. 여러분 이게 기독교 신앙의 궁극적인 목적이 아닐까 싶습니다. 살아서도 하나님 나라가 우리의 삶 속에 임하고 죽어서 하나님 나라에 가서 영원한 영생을 누리고 이것이 예수 믿는 궁극적인 목적이라고 얘기할 수 있습니다. 어떻게 하나님 나라에 들어갈 수 있을까? 어떻게 구원을 얻을 수 있을까? 하나님 나라에 들어가기 위하여 우리가 해야 할 일은 무엇일까? 굉장히 중요한 문제죠. 어떻게 하면 하나님 나라에 들어가나? 어떻게 하면 그 구원을 얻을 수 있나 하는 거예요. 여러분 우리가 하나님 나라를 잃어버린 신락원 하게 된 이유는 단 하나지 않습니까? 선악과 따먹고 죄 지었기 때문입니다. 그래서 또 성경은 우리에게 가르쳐 주시기를 죄 삭은 사망이다 라고 말씀해 주신 거고요. 그런데 중요한 건 우리는 다 죄인이기 때문에 의인 사람이 하나도 없기 때문에 우리는 타고나기를 하나님 나라를 잃어버린 상태에서부터 태어납니다. 이게 우리의 운명이라고 얘기할 수 있죠.
The teaching of Scripture on this subject is perspicuous and plain. What God requires of us in our marital duties is taught in multiple places and not in obscure ways. 2. We live in a time when honest exegesis is routinely threatened with calumny, and there are frequently honors and rewards for dishonest exegesis. It should not be surprising that we are getting less and less of the former and more of the latter. 3. Natural revelation teaches us the natural submission of the wife to the husband. These realities are in our bones, and the revolt against them lies at the foundation of our current cultural madness. 4. The scriptural requirements are entirely consistent with this natural revelation. The God who created the world and fashioned us in His image as male and female is the same God who inspired the writers of Scripture. Whenever natural revelation and special revelation appear to conflict, they do not ever contradict in fact. We should submit to the express words of God, and in this case there is not even an apparent contradiction. 5. The Bible does not require a universal submission of women to men or the necessary submission of any given woman to any given man. The Bible requires women to be submissive to their own husbands, which is a protection against having to submit to men generally. Further, because no one can serve more than one authority, the scriptural teaching amounts to a prohibition of a woman submitting to other men. Nor does Scripture require new absolute submission to her husband. No authority in this fallen world is absolute and includes the authority of a husband. When the authority of the husband turns rancid, a wife should receive the help of fathers, brothers, friends, and/or elders to help her stand up against it. I've been involved in this sort of intervention more than once. 6. At the same time, in a healthy society, if wives are generally submissive to their own husbands, there will be a cheerful deference to the leadership of men generally, a reality to be welcomed and not resented. This is a deference to the fact of male leadership, not the quality of it. When male leaders are tyrants, fools, and scoundrels, godly women will have as much objection to it as godly men do. 7. The requirement of submission within marriage does not prohibit the occasional circumstance when a woman in civil society finds herself in a leadership role over men. Deborah, Esther, and Lydia come to mind. At the same time, when feminine leadership becomes widespread and common in a society, it is not a sign of progress at all, but is rather a sign of cultural decadence driven by male fecklessness. 8. In Christian theology, there is no tension between authority and submission on the one hand, and essential equality on the other.
God the Father is the
회개만
eternal
하면
Father to the Son,
그러면
and yet the Father and
천국은
Son are
네
equally the
손
one true
안에
God.
손
The
가까이에
husband is the
있어요.
head of his wife,
그
and yet they
뜻이에요.
are one flesh.
천국이
Men and women stand on
가까워하느니라.
level ground when it comes to being
우리가
created
하나님
in
나라의
the image of
구원을
God,
얻기 위하여 해야 할
Genesis
일은
1:27, when it comes to the
회개하는
fact of our
것밖에
fall
없어요.
into sin, 1
회개만 하면
Corinthians 15:22,
누구든지 예수를
and when it comes to our
영접하고
position in
회개하고
Christ,
영접하면
Galatians 3:28.
멸망치 않고
Men and women are
영생을
clearly
얻는다.
equal in
이게
these senses, and so the
복음이에요.
teaching of the Bible elsewhere
왜
on the
그럴까요?
submission of a wife to her
하나님이 우리
husband means
아버지시기
that submission to an
때문이에요.
equal is
하나님은
not an
우리
incoherent
아버지시기
concept.
때문에 우리가
9.
마음으로
Women have a deep
뉘우치고
creational
돌이키면
need to be
그것으로
loved and
끝이에요.
led, so that they might
어떤
submit
대가를
and follow.
바라거나
And men have
보상을
a deep
원하거나
creational need to be
어떤
respected and
돈을
followed.
요구하거나
And when these
행위를
needs are
요구하는 거
thwarted or
그거
otherwise
없어요.
frustrated, the end result is deep
그런데
unhappiness for
여러분
both
그
sexes.
회개가
10.
그렇게
At the same
어려워요.
time, because of the curse that followed the fall,
회개만 하면
women
구원을
have a
얻을 수
deep
있는데
resistance
하나님
to
나라의
dutiful
삶을 살 수
submission,
있는데
even though such
회개가
submission would lead them
그렇게
into the
쉽지가
joy and true
않아요.
satisfaction that comes from obeying God.
저희 교회도
It may or may not
주일마다
improve the
이렇게
marriage,
참회
depending
기도
on
시간을
his sin
갖는데요.
issues, but it
그
will most
시간이 저는
certainly improve her
힘들어요.
walk with God.
왜
The
힘들까요?
prophecy that her desire
맨날
shall be for
참회할
her
거리가
husband
그렇게
was not
없어요.
speaking of romantic
그렇게 잘
getaways,
생각나지
but rather
않았나?
predicting
그만하면
that
잘
there would be a
사는데
struggle for
나
mastery.
어렵지
So
않을까?
instead of trying to gain
난 뭐
mastery
좋은 거
over
별로
her husband,
없는데
she should
그런
struggle
생각이
to gain
말은 안
mastery over
하지만
this besetting
그게 제
impulse
삶의
within
바탕에 깔려
herself.
있어요.
11.
그
The Bible
회개하는
does
게
not teach husbands
매주
to
회개한다는
enforce
게
the requirement that
참여한다는
was
게
given to
그게
their
참
wives.
쉽지를
Since
않아요.
true submission is a matter of the heart, rendered by grace through
저를
faith,
포함해서
a husband does
대부분의
not have the
사람들은
capacity to
특별히
make this
예수
happen.
열심히
His
믿으려고 하는
first task is
사람들은
therefore to love his
대부분
wife as Christ
자신들이
loved
좀
the church.
의롭다
He is
말은
to
안
lead
해요.
by example.
그래도
12.
그렇게
The
생각해요.
fact
나는
that
조금
husbands cannot
의롭다,
mandate or manufacture
정의롭다.
this does not make it
제가
any less
아주 없는 건
mandatory.
아니지만 큰
Wives are to
죄는
be
없다.
submissive to their own husbands in
잘못이
everything.
없다.
The
큰
marriage
문제
service
없다.
rightly includes a
라고
vow for the
생각하기
bride to obey
때문에
her
여러분
husband. 13.
회개가 어려운
The
거예요.
relation of head and body is a
그런데
constant
그
relation,
회개가
one that
어려워서
does not come and
회개가
go.
우리의 삶에
It is not the
이루어지지
case
않으면
that the husband
그만큼
has mere
하나님의 나라는
tie-breaking
우리에게서
authority.
멀리 있는
14.
것이에요.
Liberty for Christian wives cannot be enjoyed outside of
왜
their
우리는
appointed sphere.
우리가
A
스스로
woman who
의롭다고
rejects her
생각하나
obligation to love, honor, and obey is like a bird
큰
who has
죄가
thrown away
없다고
the
생각하나
constraints of having wings.
여러분
15.
의의 기준이
Submission is an
낮기
erotic
때문에
necessity. The
의에
abandonment of this
대해서는
basic
이익과
marital
세상에 대해서는
responsibility
그렇게
is the
욕심이
cause of much
많으면서도 기준이
unhappiness and has
높으면서도
also been a cause of the
여러분 하나님의
resultant
나라와
pursuit of
의에
erotic
대해서는
delusion
욕심이 없기
offered by
때문에
multiple partners or by
기준이
various
낮으니까
perversions. 16.
여러분
Submission
내가
practiced
넙뛰기를
poorly
한다면
does not
저는
discredit those
2m는
who
뭐
practice it well,
지금 몸으로
and
뭐
neither does it
죽었다 해도 못
vindicate those
넘죠.
who do not attempt it
그러니까
at all.
기준이
And
2m면
conversely, the
나는
decision to
높이
accept
뛰지
the Bible's
못하는
teaching
사람,
on this
절망적인
subject does not
사람이
obligate
돼요.
one to
인식이.
defend the many appalling
근데
things that are
잠만
done in
그래도
the name of
1m는
following
뛰어넘을
the
거예요
scriptural
지금.
pattern. A math
의의
student who does
기준이
all his
1m라면
problems wrong
나는
and the
높이
student who
뛰기 잘하는
refuses to
사람
do them at all
이렇게 인식이
have far
될
more in
거예요.
common with one another than they
우리가
do with
의의
the
기준이
student who did
너무
his
낮기
assignment properly
때문에
and turned it in on
자기를
time.
죄인이라고
17.
인식하지
The
못하고
liberation of women
의로운
was a false
사람이야.
flag operation.
정의로운
The
사람이야.
true goal was the
세상
liberation
사람들
of
아무개
libertine men.
아무개가 누구
And
같은
in our
사람이
day,
죄를
this was a
지은 내가
goal
뭐
that has
그런 죄를
largely been
졌나?
achieved.
이런
These were
생각하기
men who
쉽기
wanted the
때문에
benefits for
하나님의
themselves
나라를
that would come from
놓치게
easy
될
divorce,
것이에요.
widespread abortion, mainstream
이제
pornography,
우리가
and a promiscuous
요거
dating
지나면
culture.
곧
The early 20th century was
5장
characterized by the
이렇게
Christian
들어가면서
wife.
산상보험,
The early 21st century
팔복을 공부하게
is
될
characterized by
거예요.
the tattooed
그래서
concubine.
예수님이
And
산상보험
these
중에
sons of
팔복
Belial have the
중에
chutzpah to call it
의에
progress for
줄이고
women.
목마른
18.
자는 복이
The
있다.
general dominance of men
의에
over
줄이고
women is
목마른 자가 되면
inescapable. And so
애통하는
this
자가 될
means that when
거야.
godly rule
자기가 늘
via submission in the home
부족하기
is
때문에
relegated to the
오라나는
margins,
권고한
it will be
사람이다.
replaced by an
이렇게
ungodly
애통하게
domination
되고
over women
애통하게
everywhere
되면
else. We
회개하게
cannot
되고
succeed in
그렇게
placing
되면
men and
구원하게
women on the
되지.
same footing.
이런
But the attempt to
패턴으로
do so can
하나님이
most
우리의
certainly result
말씀을
in
우리에게
Bruno
말씀을
taking his
가르쳐
showers at the
주시는 거예요.
YWCA.
그래서
19. The God who
여러분
gives us
의의
our
기준을
commands
늘
is the same
높여야
God
돼요.
who designed and created
계명을
us.
붙잡고
His commandments are
살아야 돼요.
therefore good,
그래서 내가
righteous, and
늘
true, and
부족하다는
they
걸
fit perfectly
인식해야
within
돼요.
the creation
그리고
order.
하나님 앞에
As wives
늘
seek to learn how to live these
회개하는
principles
영이
out, they are trying to
중요한데
overcome sin.
회개하는 영이
They are not trying to
살아있어서
overcome their
늘 하나님
nature.
앞에 회개하고
Rather, they are growing up into their
죄인입니다.
true nature, which is
부족합니다.
the only
그럴
liberation
때
that matters.
하나님의
20.
나라가 우리의 삶 속에
Submission that is
가까이
invisible is
임하게
not
될
really
줄을
submission at all.
믿습니다.
As submission is
성
cultivated in the
프란시스가
home,
있잖아요.
it needs to be expressed. exist. It cannot exist as a set of hidden resolves or good intentions.
어느 날 보니까
Respect must be
선생님이
verbalized,
없어졌어요.
and the demeanor
제자들이
of
선생님을
submissive deference
찾아도
must be
없어요.
plain to
한참
everyone in the home.
찾아보니까
21. For
프란시스가
each one of these
동굴 속에서
theses, there is, of
열심히
course, a
기도를
corresponding
하고
set of
있더랍니다.
responsibilities for the men.
그래서 제자들이
Not
선생님을
only so,
부르기
but the
전에
failure of men to
도대체
conform to God's pattern
성자는
has been more
우리같이
spectacular
저같이
than the failures of
프란시스처럼
women. But
훌륭한
I'm not
믿음의
listing
사람은
those responsibilities
뭐라고
here
기도하나
because we live in a time such that when whenever submission is mentioned,
통일한
we rush
기도는
to
한
explain, qualify,
가지였다.
contextualize, and
하나님은
otherwise
얼마나
assure the world
위대하신지를
what we
깨닫게
don't mean.
해주십시오.
We explain
그럼
away
하나님,
feminine
저는 하나님
responsibilities
앞에
today far more
얼마나
readily than we
불충한
do with
죄인지를
responsibilities for
제발
men,
좀
and this is
깨닫게
part of the false
해주십시오.
flag move, which consistently
프란시스도
lets
그게
men
아마
off the hook.
어려웠던가
If
봅니다.
wives
그래서
don't
자기가
have to
죄인인
follow,
걸
and
깨달아야
men don't have to
살겠으니까
lead. We have
하나님
done this so
회개의
much
영을
that
달라.
scarcely anyone knows
내가
anymore
얼마나
what we
하나님
do
앞에
mean by
큰
submission.
죄인가를
So
제발
I'm just going to
깨닫게
say that the
해달라.
Bible teaches
그렇게
submission for
기도했다는
wives,
일화가
and it is a glorious thing.
그 기도가 오늘 우리들에게도 필요합니다. 하나님 우리에게 말씀을 주셔서 율법을 주셔서 계명을 주시고 그것을 붙잡을 수 있게 해주시고 그리고 회개의 영을 허락하여 주셔서 우리가 하나님 앞에
If
얼마나
only there were a
불충한
band of Burkean
죄인지를
conservatives
날마다
out there who were engaged
깨닫고
with culture and who were
진심에서
committed to a
우러나오는
Kuyperian
회개
version of
하나님
ressourcement
앞에
and historic
올리며
reform
살아갈 수
practice.
있게
If only there
해주십시오.
was something like that.
그래서 하나님이 우리 손 가까이 허락해 주신 십자가의 피값으로 회복시켜 주신
Introduction.
하나님의
One of
나라를
the things that
쟁취하고
everybody needs
이
to be braced
땅에서도
for is a
천국을
spate of
살고
articles, books,
죽어서도 하나님
think
나라에 갈
pieces,
수 있는
documentaries,
그런
and the
사람
like
되게
on the rising
해주십시오.
threat of
그렇게
Christian
기도하고
nationalism.
그
That
말씀대로
being the case,
살아가는
you are likely to hear a lot
저와
about it
될 수
from me as
있기를
well.
주의 이름으로
I intend
축원합니다.
over the coming months to sharpen my machete of
오늘
disobfuscation
찬송은
and together in fellowship with
274장
you to clear out some of these thickets.
나 행한
Let
것
us begin with a definition,
죄뿐이니
just so
주
we keep things
예수께
perfectly clear.
비웃기는.
A Christian nationalist is anyone to the right of
이게
Susan
찬송가로는
Collins.
되는데요. 우리
Just
실제
kidding,
곡으로는 참
mostly.
어려워요.
A recent article at Mere
내가
Orthodoxy
나 행한
recognized this
의로운
problem
것만
at any
자꾸
rate.
생각하지
The author,
내가
Miles
행한
Smith,
걸
was not
죄밖에
objecting to
없습니다.
the
이 생각이
uselessness
참
of Christian
어려운데
nationalism,
이
but rather
찬송을
to the
작사한 분은
uselessness of the term
국민의
Christian
경제에
nationalism.
이르렀네요.
In his article, Smith makes
그
a number of
경제에
shrewd
이르기를 바라는
observations
마음으로
with which I'm in
같이
hearty agreement.
찬송하겠습니다.
And I like his intellectual
나
honesty when it
행한
comes to historical
것
theology. He does recognize that the magisterial
죄뿐이니
reformers
주
had an attitude toward the civil magistrate that was not secular.
비옵기는
So there's some good stuff here, and I agree with him that a term of abuse that is currently being used to marginalize any and all conservative believers is not necessarily the term we would have picked to describe our position had we gone out shopping for a term, which we didn't. At the same time, 3 cheers for Christian nationalism, and I hardly ever use exclamation marks. The reason I say this is because also at the same time, I think Smith is overlooking a couple of important points. What are they, you ask? I'm glad you brought it up, I reply. The populism issue. In order to get a grasp of the biblical background on this particular issue, I would refer you all back to an important piece I wrote back in January 2021. What are we to make of all the Jesus mobs in the New Testament? And why does it matter? Mobs are mobs, and angry mobs are angry mobs. Smith is exactly right about Luther's dim view of the peasants' revolt. At the same time, do we not sometimes wonder if the peasants, humanly speaking, might not have been severely provoked? Is it possible that they had been goaded right up to the point of human endurance? Yes, this is possible. This is because mobs are not only mobs, elites are elites, and corrupt elites are corrupt elites. Because human governance is inescapably hierarchical, it is therefore really important that the rulers conduct themselves in light of God's revealed will. Because if they don't, and they get into a mindset where they answer only to themselves, if they appoint themselves to occupy the role of secular lords, this means that they will start to do all manner of unconscionable things. They begin to beat the male and female servants, and they eat and drink, and they get drunk. Luke 12:45. Quote, the prince that wanteth understanding is also a great oppressor, but he that hateth covetousness shall prolong his days. Proverbs 18:16. I'm quite prepared to believe that the rioting mobs in Sri Lanka are capable of any number of dirty deeds. Angry mobs do what angry mobs do. I do not view them as a surging flood of righteousness. When the dam gives way, the water flows where it's going to flow. At the same time, we should be willing in principle to have a few words with those bringers of uplift who decided in their great wisdom to blow up the dam. In the name of preventing climate change, a number of restrictive laws were introduced in Sri Lanka, which rendered the people incapable of feeding themselves. When this kind of thing happens, the people frequently develop opinions on the matter. The ruling elites running the current secular order are so mendacious, so corrupt, so incompetent, so duplicitous, so leprous, so diseased, so full of themselves, so hypocritical, so lecherous, and so godless. The end result of all their schemes for ushering in their endless sunshine and high-speed rail is that they have determined to blow up any number of dams. They've done it in the UK, in the Netherlands, in Spain, in the United States, in Sri Lanka, and so on. What this means is that I don't have to defend the mobs because I'm not the one who caused them to form. Somebody else did that. What we are dealing with is grotesque mismanagement by the elites and at levels such that a form of grandeur creeps into it. Me, you don't want to blow up that dam. Them. But this would allow the salmon to swim upstream freely. Me, I dare say, but you still don't want to do it. Them, the engineer who designed this dam went to a party in blackface once in 1977. Me, still it would be enormously destructive to blow it up. Them, we're gonna, because Antifa rocks. Kablooey, sound of a towering wall of rushing water. Them, aye. Me, this is what happens. Them, why are you defending the J6 incursion? Me, I'm not defending anything, I'm explaining. And the explanation includes the fact that you are the ones fomenting all of this. The Moscow issue. I'm going to keep this conclusion relatively short because whenever I'm forced to talk about the influence of the Moscow Project, I'm acutely aware of the fact that I'm trapped between the Scylla of Proverbs 27:2 and the Charybdis of 2 Corinthians 12:11. This embarrasses me no end, and so I'm forced, while writing about this kind of thing, to dig a chastened divot in the carpet of boasting with my toe of humiliation. What are we going to do about the ickiness of this populist revolt? If only there were a band of Burkean conservatives out there who were engaged with culture and who believed in training future makers of culture and who were devoted to K-12 Christian education and higher education and learning and the life of the mind and who were operating in the tradition of the magisterial reformers and who understood that hierarchy was inescapable and who had a publishing house and who have not given the time of day to the woke nonsense and who were building a genuine Christian community and who were advocates of a mere Christendom and who were dedicated to liturgical and doctrinal reformation and who were robust advocates of Protestant resistance theory and who were committed to a Kuyperian version of ressourcement in historical reform practice. If only there was something like that. Here's the trick. If the official policy of the evangelical establishmentarians is to ghost all those who fit into that category, ignoring their existence entirely, it is then child's play for them to then treat the remainder of God's good folks as the great unwashed, as the buboisi, as the clodhoppers of culture. If we discount the theological leadership of this movement, then this brings us to the inevitable criticism that they have no theological leadership. Before I go, I wanted to remind you all about the existence of Noeos Science. Noeos Science is a homeschool science curriculum that gets your kids excited about God's creation and does so by means of engaging experiments that will excite your kids and a library of beautiful books that they will actually want to read. Give Noeos Science a look today at noeoscience.com. But in order to get to that website, which you need to do, you must spell it right. That's Noeo science.com. Not E-I-E-I-O, but N-O-E-O.